So tax expert Professor Abdullah Ali Nachian has cast a spotlight on the controversial practice of religious leaders receiving lavish untaxed gifts. Edi de waka say wo hena sofo bi ya chane luxurious car na ya dia chane no wo chana taxi bia na ho wo so obi na dia be chane no wanu kwa luxurious car be ye dunum ene aduo no wo say eye issue bia esese Ghana ye ka ho asam e say wo ye sofo no nkyere say so obi timi to car kire no nipa ko no to car na ma no e fa no onya sika no free ye taxes be na wo tua ye nso e wo so nipa na yetimi check ne tax record na we eye issue a tax expert Professor Abdullah Ede Atuja. At the same time, when you go on social media platforms, you will witness issues about the new patriotic party, about the flag bearership race. Sounds on our social media platforms are who also so. Obebuka to say the new patriotic party amanyokuo no woman se me flag bearership race no and also so en musa woman for e twe na basane sre e de fa ho. And also your issues are trendy e Ghana ha. Na ansa na koto kromo nkomo ne yebedie no mamenko studio bi na menko Patrick Akwaba. Patrick memo Akwaba o.
Anta ko mejoso.
Na bibi aboko de.
Na me adu bibi aboko.
Electoral Ghana Limited ada romanti medima for Herbal Center. And afeso Hajia special local foods inti and ye for God and country dwumadie ebre ye tiefo na ye de Sompa market yapa abre Sompa tiefo Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Na ohun so ayefe wa bow brown na we yiyi uti ho na
I say maybe play out of no movie sometimes and me come baby ana. Omo ntiase.
Na se de we say you tiri
address the titro obi sometimes and me line da baby ana.
We line da baby ana.
Friday na me born day.
Ayo born oh. If you da your born day. It's if you da no
every Friday bia.
What the birthday fear and a drew fear dance so person we exceptional.
That's right.
You want to look good.
That's right.
O person o kasa wa who see kasa.
Kasa.
Na me da outside the come morning ora. Na kwesi da outside the atunyo. Ma chopa. Na Patrick I wouldn't say for God and country a social political show.
That's right.
It nyesa on your phone ko na timi ba so be kan ho masam. Sometimes you timi delve deeper. Na ye call issues that I affect society. Yeah, well, issues be or political shows they don't dissect, they don't discuss those issues. And none for God and country, my exceptional. We take those issues up and then we look at all angles. Near finding ways and means the development. If said you're aware cross and the media no you have three responsibilities. Yes, you have three arms is to inform, to educate, and to entertain. A lot of media houses now focus on entertainment and information. But when it comes to education aspect, bebre and neglected. So we decided to focus on education. And when it comes to educating the public, educating the government, educating people on how they should conduct their affairs. Ningina ewo SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. And ebe more social. Okay, even though sometimes political issues may crop up. Ningina so ekaho. Eti minim dia won so owo ma ye ene ewie.
SOMPA de musronko. SOMPA de musronko. Ye nchaye na ye chen omo maba etwam. Enti ye wo ho sane odi kan social issues ni bi wo wa edi kan na edi say ye kan na mostly an ye kan ebinum kan no mo jakunkon ho omo find solutions to ask you near ombeyama problem no mo kan ho asem no
ebetimi agina
but SOMPA de ye kan mani kosi ase am I finding solutions to it?
I also sometimes a story beat me banner air trendy online, Facebook, baby all over the place. But as somebody can be na come fin. It's one thing a SOMPA for God and country, exceptional. Any news in Accra, and it's a issues be by your shokusiasie. It is a wish some time ago you heard that story. That 12-year-old boy now within the koboho now omobo no. Hey, we followed that story up. Sabre ya say ya chiwo ya chini pebi. So omo say akwada no akowi ade. Na omo bo akwada na semyem to say Yesu Kristo. Yesu nim say Yesu nkwa na be wuji yen kwa. Eni kwan so obia ewu biem na akwa a 12-year-old boy was molested, was abused physically, was beaten, was caned. Like and we took that matter up and Sabre police for that is what the media is supposed to do. Issue no any say eba na ya kan wasam na ya sresre na ya argument na ya ende and there's a wusha achuma mponi aye kwa kopie ho e fa koto krom story na it's the same issue sansam so no and fortunately it has been rectified.
That's right.
So that so metimi aye ho adwuma yeah say solution oriented ade na ye no the solution beba and yes be aye de beto keke it is a wusha and na JNANA beba na ya bia fo beba be pie ha say say wusha nsema ya wodi tudwa no a wo ka problem na wasa the solution aba anytime bia na be take seat no na wonim say issue bia obe lifting up no that issue will be addressed on kan keke. But once as a wusha, your politicians they are interested in say they will nag and they complain. But when you ask them what can we do about this particular issue, they better solution be ama. And that is the mandate and the assignment of SOMPA.
That's right.
Say adiani afa see etimi ko wie.
That's right.
Because yenya me yesum ko alpha and omega. And the show ni name no so for God and country. Yesum nyame ene waman. It's at the same time we connect the two because we know say we sum nyame a it's a reflecting in how you live your life.
Yes.
It has to manifest.
That's right.
Okay, development, any growth must come. There must be some form of transformation. And no any here. It means anytime here. But it's a Professor Abuchi no. Now him say the issue be a social political show. It is not only political show. A social political show. Yasha asitnemu yanamo CCA. It is two fania kokotokrom. Achimamponi ania kwakoshe die see na tememufo. Ye wo videos ni audios ahodoa ye bebo dia mo manfo. Na o ma share before and after. Na wo share before said the nan samso anasa bridge ni city a Patrick Owurabeho. I'm telling you Patrick say when ko bo in samso ne so a Owurabeho Owurabeho pass it didn't depend me for way so it was very dangerous. It was very dangerous. And at the sometimes we want disaster to happen before we find solution to it. What the media has to do, we don't have to wait for disaster to occur. We don't have to wait for disaster. What we have to do is to draw the government's attention to that issue.
Right.
What we have to do is to draw the government, any agencies, any ministries, we draw their attention to it, and then we let them know, say, there is a problem here. You need to find solution to it. Maybe the district assembly is not doing anything about it. Municipal assembly, the metropolitan assembly, they are not doing anything about it. So the central government, when the central government comes in, then immediately there will be a solution. If you say, because I go to Chrome story, because the president was involved, that is why the issue has been solved. Because there was an order, a command, because he is the commander-in-chief of the armed forces. So when he issued that command, immediately that problem has been solved. The media, we should bring out all those stories, you know. Say the Omo mu nkrasi omo ni kamafoɔ omo mu nya nsuo nom omo mu nya baabi enya wo mo nan omo mu timi nya baabi nidie omo nkwada kosko omo ti nuase ema wowo etimi be kabi no all those issues ye be raise then we solve it and known for God and country. That is the reason why from Monday to Friday 2:30 to 5:30 Professor Kobla Abuchi etnase edit for God and country. So we are connecting godliness, okay, with growth and development.
That's right.
And then so Yebeka Kotokura.
That's right. That's right. Antaku wa boni nyina na maybe come and say not media and your role in society. The media is supposed to check the government.
That's true.
Government and the media no yanye society. It's checking government.
It is mediators and also intermediaries. We are or referee. We are in the middle.
That's right.
So we stand in the gap.
That's right.
Okay, we stand in the gap between the communities or the population and the government. And also the three arms of government. Whether it is judiciary, whether it is legislature or the judiciary, and also input the executive. We ensure there are so many issues that they are not aware. So we stand in the gap and bridge the two. So anytime government will be taking steps now why then it means Patrick or Shekura no Obeda ko kanchire Obeda ko DC office Obeda ko MC office Obeda ko NCA office Obeda ko agency office. We need that authorization and we need access to that.
That's right.
But when you access to a reporter, when you access to a media house, SOMPA 106.5 FM, then we take our platform and the grievances will be channeled through the platform, and through that who did that, then the government in power and also opposition or any agency and also be misbehavior, that person your now so we have a great responsibility.
The responsibility in the doors check government and they say manifesto bad. And some of them and development manifesto and then some of them try and bet that sir check some no abem na anja ko abemu ya sema na wo
boss no ya
12 years in fact me who see at enkrofo na me depa
oh yeah
e dia bone nkoa na kwara wanya 12 years wakoye ntu wotekere ne nsabodwem etwa na timpre e dia bone nkoa nyopa ya anya no nya nso ampe obi dampa bobia e bompa ese nyankopon ma ne ba akopɛ oh ewiase no na etara bia wotrase edwene obi timpa bobia o bompa gidigidi se wrade ma me ba akopɛ na nka me mfa ne gigi mani na me nda wase se oh wadom me ba akɔ obi nso anya bi ono yo atete na boduam ina oku na chimra esa se
and I wouldn't say for God and come to your social political show. Yeah, quite a mampuniana, you drew Kotokrumwa, na yene honorable Osman Ademu Kwame, na yene actually assemblyman Ewo Kotokrum, Fasa issue no eho. Honorable Memao Eba for God and come to Jumedia, so I was SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra.
Yo, Joshua,
yeah, that's CP. When the honorable na ya frewa, I won't say social media, say social media it should be a bar, na a dear him near the other cheche, ewa baby. And I am when some so be buy video any pictures. Sabre cry ye, more follow ye Facebook, no, you can watch that video. Wait me, so wait me and for no I share before and son ya after no dear see so you can join us on our social media platform SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. Like the page and share the page, and also bet me on YouTube SOMPA FM live. Eti video no buy no na aye gigi me jini say who hu bi if say na efa ho if say krono na esi wa betri so meboa na obi bebu success ansam so no na enya how many years ye see ni da bay
1957 any year
1987
57 that's right
67 and now 57
57
1957 this is 68 years
independence year
nessa Ghana nya fa hodie no e no mo yes average no na ebra wo be assemblyman na wo chese de na bridge ni city e na make na tie for monko ye page ho said ye kromafo kasatemamufo omo kotokrom omudu nsanso na ya yam hihie nko a monko said ye na city e ni assemblyman ye honorable Osman Ademu Kwame e na twetwe ho nkomo no na mo faso na ayehu no ebra wo ba ya wo behu sa de na de na moto na wa personally wutu fa ho
mi wa wadawroma samre no me be assemblyman na abandaga na wo so di honorable Kwame Esiama MP for Achimampunua and I'm going to mean or by ever head many people are safe to trap pictures. I was saying about say and Sakura Bay. Share anyone man who they are on the prayer DC or I'm copy for Isaac. Also so about the hair also share me about say and check the Mabe. Get it in one that be a new boom to Munya the Munya but Sabu Timitana Maswa about the clock President John Mama Azibaya also who the STA also I did Oshie Iowa and then region Abe life. Come. You say no can say. Yeah, we
Honorable Ademu, sa bridge no, enkoro mu ko school ya omo so fa sa the same bridge no so.
Nipa so ai. The school yenya wo ko mi the school go mu ko na international school go. Ye ni mo ko ma kwan so nti na da bia mo ko ba, da bia mo ko ba.
Na unim se wo hwe nsamso na no ma kyro o ma ya billboard bia so ma ya ne weak bridge. Mo na mo de bo o se be ya be wo ne nkrofo se bridge no, wo mre bridge no wa bo ho ana.
Nipa so ai honorable William Sarfo ka no former DC Atmanponu
former DC ai
wono na wo be ye ko tale tu hu ko tale bi en wo se bridge we die se ne sia ira yehu nti okoye sambo be so se be ya heavy load bi an fa so nti ni pa ba ko a watna wa be so be 2-3 years ana wa fe se o ye ka na bi wona so apa load kesi ana ye ka kesi a no sound so ji wo chini so ba pass wa no afre empenifo ni abe sound ene o ye ni pa check o ye tse hwan ran wa sound wachi ene no wa different dia ma ya wa fe wa am from mission e tse dia ama kui
na ade asema wa bosu de me nwanwa ne se obi o ya ban crash panyini hu sensam so no nye inse se o be solve problem na ma no akwakoye signboard mum ene o de ba be si bridge na no kire se we eye weak bridge it is a uduru ha he on metiase papa
pa chometi William Sarfo ebe ye akuta ni wie no hu se bridge na weak no on se the next year no na e two no ma
yes you two na dey so
no ama honorable Kofi Mafo Isaac and so by nti ono na be current this year me do kwatu nanim oni honorable Isaac Kwame Siama kwatu manim na o me ye say o maba be ya amaso kaneti.
Oh okay next one ko obehu ye no a wo dey sai ni be anche kura ne breso ya wo ko ye
that's pepe
nana omanfo no ensembe na no omo keka ebra na bridge na yes eya bridge no mesem momfa before no nto so mame mo ansa na chire ne the after no aba sabre wo ba your Facebook page no a obetimi like na wa share me pe before no before said na bridge na si atete se kontebe ni said ye na omanfo te mamufu ani abre wo mi wi na me de after no ya ba be di after no ho enkomo e di ensem na no omanfo na wo krom ho no omoka fa ho omanfo wo kotokrom
kutekrum for the sabiu na kopo na edi wa fufi ti se o ya ka na oduru ha o be si traffic no na ka na kroso na ni na ba asapa aso abeto ewo otiri na o mafoko
anese kotokrom de uduru bridge na no ho no a na wasi passengers ni na Africa anim
no
tu si won wa na wa ba the other side no mo so nante abehia wo na for ma betre mansa na watimi akọ wow any ma bre
ya brepa dise tank tinkete tike taxi mita de na ikime paso ba ka tike sprint anu de ibu wa ne mu ati Lanova ya mu ati se set mutu ani taxi ti de ani kwa se lodu mu a wa wo ni kan kwa na wo yamba so se o nfa paso ko so wa ntia o kwa ro ti na ni so but me for you miensi na da bonet na o ti na pa cross ni e sia cross ni akofo ni ato aso ani manage ni kakra da boni bi antu ya ene mampeni adawroma abere kama amaye
nese wo betimi esisudua wo SOMPA 106.5 makra so say even though nsamso no etete ye basa no obi empra wo so obi anhwere ne nkwa wo so
dabi ani de nyame nti obi empra obi anhwere ne nkwa ho.
Okay. Na ebra asam ne ba ye no a within 3 months anasa boso me miensa abantimi apusu ne ho na wa baba be ye no ye ba be di nkomo na ansa na no edie nkomo twetwe na koso ewo ye kotokro mpanifo amoda no ene aban mpanifo ntemansa na mampani betu anamo bi atisa
yo minia we de sani esisi no ena odi o shewa konkomodie na so social media ne Facebook ni abeba ni ewiase aba no ya wo hwa na yete se abrantie bi abegitwa we bridge no picture adiko social media ni ade nti therefore this ana abrantie we dey so nya me number on wo friend me from you become so now somebody man and I say with the pair of men now my big pictures in the great and so within the means say was rather one to but our my boy may be there fine. Today 3 days again and I'm in penny forward this assembly. A friend say Oman Penisi Obama road minister ne regional minister bebe to come bridge into the gun would be ano. Nemra Rameko so na me 2 kwan. Ti dan wan me gade me yebia ne ba kutukum. Ni ba kutukum no ne eju ada pepepe ene mo bae. Mpa omi so ba mba share but omi my 4 months. Omi be big na wie. Ene kwa ni ye jet ni se o. Ene big la ti chapa 4 months omi da aya azan aya political talk. Tida anua dia chinya ni hu se omi di na serious e ba no be foot bridge se be ya ye ne e cross no e da fa foot bridge no so na omanya kwa ya bridge no kinua na mo ye mo start ya ta contract na bounce engineer no so wa ye nyame adwuma papa e ka 4 days na ka 3 months na mo de tin se firi ho a ene bi dia kwan so be boa no manpower park ni go kumia madawroma you see the issue there any ni ade e gene ho yie pa bibia your pipe sorry your light your hospital ya kwan ye and necessary bridge so be coming you see the issue and your my die gene ho pa say emwaye issue sha
na wo ka bibi sese ye ma light off na ensuo no so ma na se mono eye kanea no na efa ema nsuo ne by power no meboa
ipacho sana pepe
na ye ta dundum mo kanea e wo kotokrom ho
no ye ta dum se wa ni tia ye ta dum ba ya han de ti dum sa yo champe dia ya tokro na to na ya spark no ti ye tracking sembe aweta na de hudi type na sorry light na amadia ni enu anya de ye na e manage ni kakra enjibia na light na saba on ni asa ko le da nu an ti ni na ye light ni de ma nsioni
okay sabre wo mo follow me e was social media SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra na who before and who after na who send some so the bridge no and nam sansuo no ensuo ne friend say
okay
river of
Mpachota river of
na ensuo no galamse koso area ho na bi say ensuo no mani abosa say ensuo na efi dudu
galamse there na me ti wa na madada do wa
because I wish a bridge na o ma be bridge no bridge na efe but ensuo na namase ni nya ye ensu fi eti utka river of pa na nkae say
kana ti galamse ya na enta
nese galamse kuna ye ni abre no mudi etese mu no wo na dampa so wo kotokrom ho
papa eni mu wa hapa me friends yo mu wa
enti adie ni ebetimi aye because they will king omo wo ho pa nese kotokrom galamse yes no omo wo ho pa wo hyenso se de ni ese adori fia enya adie ni ebeye
you say that man we buy and so on to 200 months so eja sabi wa family member me ni nkrofo ya mu hai sabi o me ni tini ka se hwe no ani gara e nya ya ni tiasa ba ne mpe enso so obi asori a okono duma ba tini se ni se bia wo nti se de enua na wa boys ni mranche de awo si wo mu a o mu si na tini me gram se ba no you France more than 10 years so enya me penso so me ba
nese galamse ne moye no kotokrom be eburu be 10 years ni
10 years yaba
na onim se galamse kunya ye komesa ba bridge no so na galamse kunya ye kunya de ba kwa nkrofo kan se kromafo na se temamufo na mo wo ho ne biti se kotokrom se no sa ban kura kase wo twam a mo na be ha mo fi se eno na mranche ne maba wo ho no mo didi ho eti wo dia wo fom pa eti wo tiase wo ye grassroots assembly member say ye pese ye kun galamse kun no a se de nkrofo ani se gi hui ene ye no hu no mu didi yi e ma no mu konsuo no mu o mu de bo akonhoma yi na mema ne de hwe fie yi e kwa ba ne ye betimi afaso ama emrante na kuma betimi ato mu yam but at the same time no ye betimi atu galamse na se
ni nya ne nkeye wahene wadawroma senkeye na bande ba no anu mu tisiwa enka we problem we nya emma bi se ya ma be papa nde ya se emensio no o so odesini ya onu woto na saate no be bia me wasate ne bensio no a na maton na galamse ni so e bensio so di atase ne bensio le bensio ni so waton na grisika nti wonu so obetu nti otu a ensio ni so ne gugu ensio ni nti ehye eye adwuma de a sabi o ntimi mu obi aduane obi anu aduane mu nanso ehye na o se me mpanyimfo amu ye wode setia emu na aban so beboa me na de ehye na TV na se be ya nsiro nso ebitime diane na so kama
yada se Matias galamse ne de me de betwa mu agya gala ho ntokwa ne de ene ho asam ne de esuntie hu se bi wo mo ho ne de na se se edi ho nkomo mame samra bridge ne so biem se bridge no wo mo wie da bai
bridge no o mo wie 19 June ya
me ka fufuro ya ba ba yi fufuro ya 19 June ya na se na wo twa mu
19 June ya mu wie
Okay, yo, enti omo wie ye no say na kotokromfo eni je be na aba ho my report kakra.
Ni je papa na akase engineer ni wie no to masi assemblyman una wa ha. The street ni man now this is 21 days according to book. Mo so mo dey share bread baby an. The 21 days in so ya. Now my load be fast wa enche ebese. Ntimi ka say 21 days in be so. Na mampeni so be yi regional minister to mampeni na daba commission amayo. Ani ni afemu ye wa ye twen say that 21 days in be so na mako commission man dey say do my fiti tight say me mamoto kura me mamoto mfaso. And he said obia ni sui eda ho a ye twen say ba commission amayo.
Okay, na se na eda ho a mo twen se mampani be suma ne nam sini aba mo matwa ho ntoma no anase ye be bia no omanfo a omo fa hokọ no hefa na se omutimi fa ekọ omu enwuma so
omo fa bridge ne so
nipa timi fa so ba moto ne kan timi fa so kopem 21 days
kan de isi bi wo outside ni bi wo inside ba to ti nanka
meto nkapa
kan bi dina chiri e bi dina ni mu nti se ka we bi dina no ha na wo wachi anante abafu de wo eto no no so do ato aso.
Oh, okay. Share my na ba mo maka mfa so na moto mfa so kopem se 21 days ne be so ansa ba ni pati me fa so.
Mpa jo an de se to bi de na mo ye ma ye no na enia de no. Ensu no yire no se ne ti akia ye no. Ayehu. Se bi mi timi mani pa so nkowu. Nti engineer ne ka tell me se me de mi timi mka se eni pa mfa so. Na no so timi ka se eni pa mfa de aye ne foforo so. Ni mo npa ni duro wa ebi akokoduro ebi timi fa nua no so foot bridge na mo ye no ebi timi fa so ne ya make say ebi fa so obi so ye hu a wo dukwa won chance ka se da do no so no wa o de dream o timi de me fa bridge no so e ba sa so mi timi ko kana tiko say ko fa ha so ta say aha mi pa cho nti no ebi a wo ma mo hu ni de o mo fa bridge no so no obi o so we good o timi fa enua de no so ko be de wo ko.
Yo, Honorable Osman Ademu Kwame, yeda sinansa na obeko no wasema echato a wode magana fo a wo mutie e won kran SOMPA 106.5 na yede nkomo na ba wiye.
Yo, me nkira me de jamu nyina ne se let's let o mampani se na dawroma animojama wa she me penso manya bridge aba ni kurumuna no na me nhira no o mana ban so enye aban a odi bo she so tinisia ne se ena kakra ka eni mo ebie no o ma na nyamo nye ntinti ase be ya obetuma commission ma ya sada no a o mo ka no se be ya adaba fo no so ache ebi ha ebi o silu dudu a isi o so ni apempem ma ko de kroso eno na ha amanfo pa wa ha ni se me pa aban ache o se na dawroma eni manimu ya 21 days na ana after 21 days no o ma commission ma ya na yeso ya hunto na ye bona basupa juma wa ya makutukumai.
Yeah, Honorable Osman Ademu Kwame yeda se woni achiche nkomo e wo for God and County Jumedie so wo SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra me ka mo se sabre no me nsa pa ho se ma aduasa emienu 3 meso meda CP sabre 3:32 PM e wo SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra na me ka wo se medima for Herbal Center Dr. Tamoda so wono kan wo bi nti de Jumedie no ebremo Dr. Tamoda so wo kumase no wote se enkranfo frefre bobo ni di Dr. Tamoda so da be na wo bankran da be na wo ba fi se ye bre no se me ye dai na se kuma se me bu adwuma no mo se hwe se wa ma yare beku ade hye won kran wa ma yare be di enya wa ma yare be dokure no se yare bai eno mo se hwe ene wudru nkran koda wo manya mfie dunu manya stroke ene wudru nkran a enkwada wo manya 10 years enya stroke ene se ba ne se de te ne se ye no ne se na amene afo ne hata na sa wo ne yie sa akwada akweto betimi enya yare ana medima fo heba Dr. Tamoda so se mate ene mefri ebu akwa agogo ebi wo hode na ma bankran pokwa se mayira na ma be pa asase wo ho na me clinic kekese na me de aboa adehye am won kran e se mate se yare edimunya e wana Dr. Tamoda so wo tu ya ate so okore ene obepie pokwa se mayira Dr. Baya we see a resabia kama fe and was enkranfo mumro ampa say stroke Sa wo this year be ya stroke no sedem. Na ne ho nton no a wo na wo pesa ne ho beto no. I'm telling you. Sa wo this year be sedem na wo stroke. Na ne ho nton no a eye wo na wo pesa ne ho beto no. Ka wo pesa ne ho ton no anka wo te wo. Enka wo nu pokwase mayira midima fo heba enko hwe no. Die ntia wo this year ne da ho na ne fa ba bia adwodwo no eye because umfa ne komidima fo heba. Enka wo rush komidima fo heba nka bo sampa. Say time da so ampa. Mo amawari amopa wo awo ntafo te se medie ni bi na mo ho kire mo no mesra wo medima fo heba de o se wo ba mo mfa sika ntusu wo wi anu aba beda na se me patcho clinic be na ye ne sa ma me example clinic bi abeduru bi obaka che o se tues cancer ansa na ya wo say Dr. Tam da so nko ase wo de se wo beduru a ye hwe wo wie na akwo a na de aseda na de aba eti yare e ben chronic diseases, typhoid, malaria, hypertension, diabetes, prostate issues. Ukoto je usisi. Ene mema nye sisi yare na mankran ha. Wana mwani sisi nkwa ma ezu omu sisi yare. Momna Dr. Tam da so midima fo heba center. Tam da so pokwase maira. Yadru ho eno no. Eti Fred Dr. Tamoda so ana wo kumase ana wo abua kwa agogo ene abanya yare sabia no school no ena edi nhwane mu fan was 0244774282 0244774282 ana 050 050-072-7215 050-072-7215 now afre 050-072-7215 na midima fo heba etimi abo Electroland Ghana Limited for God and country because na wutie e was SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra your Facebook live Facebook unso e SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra na one like no share page no na enne sem da paso enne na JNANA betena se aye biafo na ye biafo JNANA obetina so we life coach and afenso so we obi a wa ben yi ankasa we yenkoso hene I know wo ba be boye ne ne yedi nkomo Electroland Ghana se me mu aso ntese bomode ya sa wo beba electronic and home appliances ahodo we papa ne bo eda form na kache ene wo adihia mu watachi maye Professor Abochi adihia ye chiacha mu nyina ye chiacha mo tachi man ye chiacha mo tachi man ye chiacha mo tachi man hey Electroland Ghana ba be pie tachiman na wo muduru ho no mo se yama kwawo yamfa nsapan ene baaye ye de media products Nasco Samsung TCL products aba say ye TV air condition fridge washing machine kettle rice cooker microwave blender aba kade Electroland Ghana no eti tachiman for ye de asemde ye de asemde ye de SOMPA ye de afa Electroland Ghana Limited so e de abramu 15% discount ena ubetimi kuranya gift sa wo kontamo a eti tachiman kumase kwantembo no so no a wudi wurom ne ho ane wo kumase ye wo ho Castle Junction Tech Junction and cry Adenta barrier Dansuman runabout industrial area ene Melcom Plus ene di nhwane mu ene Sunyane Mankasim Cape Coast Takrade Tamale Electroland Ghana Limited ni electronic appliances and home appliances nyina ubenya bi e wo ho ubetimi afre wo call them on 0245 949495 call now 0245 949495 or 0245 949495 0245 949495 Electroland Ghana Limited yeto wo so na ya sorry hajia enye aduane ni aduane yo enye aduane ni aduane meka wo say ha eye SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra for God and country dwumadie na wutie Facebook SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra wetimi abanwa like page and no share no spreading the good news is Ghana the most impactful social political show afternoon social political show for God and country no other period show awuti ana wa me show awuti e ma hu ne ekoso show awuti e dimpumtu ebre wa batom pesaso da be market for ya chiacha mu nyina yerim se mo de ato SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra na mo amonam ha twokwan so ko atomic no sabo pe ba bia didi a eye hajia special local food and a continental food and a continental dishes ahodo and a ubenya it is a wo pe fufuo papa bi ene abankwan ene mutuo rewren kwan anase de and a wo pe nantwinam nkwan anase gold soup eni nyina bi wo ho to zafi wache jollof fried rice konkonte apreprensa ene ye weekend o eti ya ye adwumaduru fiada It is a whoop baby a quacodidia, Mamma sorry, the bit is at Tessan Baptist Church, Bible studies, Yanamaba. The way Bible studies, you know, baby at John Juan. Hajia special local foods, no appeal. Any ingredient, ya pro. Tomatoes ni JNANA garlic apro ne yede you. Ye aduane ma na wudi wonim se woni padua kra beda wase. Wodi ne ma papa na egu ni paduam. Eno ye Hajia special local foods. No. Eti fra Hajia e wo 024 63 59921. Ebi a wutie me wo yere se amedo. Eya fa me pie. Wokunu di ne birthday. E se wodi ne pie. Sa me ba Patrick enko wo girlfriend na e se no odi ne pie. E se fia da bia ye ne bond day. Na ko odi ne pie na odi ne ko Hajia. Sarfo de won fa ne girlfriend bia machia me ntimi nim de ekro me nim so atiase ade ne de me nim Professor Abochi so fa ne girlfriend machia me enti me nim so atiase Jeremiah de me nim so wo yere so ho Mr. Boatin de me nim so wo yere so ho mema mo wo fia ha no eya mo fa mo girlfriends machia me na me ntu o mo fo so ba bia me hu o mo ho anya no na ma kan kire o mo no o ma gya mo enti Adrian Papa de Hajia special local foods and no anopa no go chiko see no go chwa pem 8:30 p.m. pepe na wo mo hia 024 63 59921 024 63 59921 and 0583 5484392 0583 5484392 na with them Patrick won say ye kotokrom me ka de kotokom say ye kotokrom o say kotokra assembly man say ye kotokrom ye ko ye no ye ko em say ye yi akire ama omanfo nyina ehu say de na sitie before and after mema safom fanto before and after who before na who after no omo say mampani ene mpanifo omo be nsamso ne say ye bridge bi sa say wo man de ho 21 days na concrete ni ade na wo mu nyina nya ahoden after that no ansa na mo de car afaso eti sese no wuduru ano ho no a na wasi nipa no omo de taxi ba ko agina bonkum ena omo de ba ko agina nifa eti anasa ano end to end eti wuduru ha na wusia na wanante no ba be fa another taxi e wo ha na omo de hoko eti after 21 days they are looking forward say empanifo be ba be twa homem na ye be dan samso no wadi na ye opportunity e de ama omanfo wo krom ho na omakoma nso atowem. Are you not happy?
Anti akomekra den ke be yanka 21 omo multiply by 2
adentia
na nkenya 42 days
adentia 42 days
na enya hoden hey enya izo from 1957
acho 1957 68 years
Ghana nya independence no almost seize average
let's Ghana nya fa hodie ni mu ho no a
and almost seize average
and almost seize ansamso no and adawa na me say wo hwe before no a said ensamso na sia ye ne asase no etokro na me na ye me nwanwa se nipa timi faso yeti na ye say yantisa akoda bia koto ofi wureva ni mu anase ka bi akwakoto
so na down enya suketu asa
na ofi wo yesu ketua enya nsu eda fam o esu kase pa na wo se wo nsu no ya afi nsu na nsamso no gusu gala o se kromo do mo ne gala fo na tie omo ne gala fo na tie etu ni me pese ye kobo omo voice no ye ni omo kromo ho ni bi etwetwe nkomo ma wo mo eka ne asie ya asem da aba no enti mama yenko na afa yenko tie bra ye hwe se de esitie no yenko tie nsem omo ade tudwa na ye wi na afa for God and come to Jumede ne yato so memu aso to say you are listening to SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. This is for God and country. Good afternoon to you. Ye kwa kotie kotokoroma de hensem omo de tudwa ye wi ya na ya baba beto so
sa bridge we the road minister wa ma mehwa de we ya obetina abuo kum nipa because we abuo wi anasa kasi dia konia baba bridge na sekura bridge we da river offense so some river offense that was no but bridge we situation ehu Ghana penny for say na ya ma mehwa bridge we ya within less than 1 month bridge we bet me buo kum a very dangerous our Ashanti region Atwamponua constituency eti kromi afo na de nua gu bridge ni so the way bridge na abuo wi anasa eti we our Atwamponua constituency and the river offense kotokuom enkro beble na gu nanim ni nachi cars faso akopie kunsu mankraso ekwa bakuma se no bridge na nyakura se ni mo ni mu ma hwa ansi ya gese nya cars faso ye jina bridge na si moto so faso cars faso hwa bridge amena dem tuam asa omudi pampro achoki ase eti ya nyina ntumi fa this a car fa this ano so I am very very sad
the very for break the fire am so
the penny for why
omudi ba politics
ni nyani sa ya
problem so bo me break am I let my
I want to hear about why I
yeah for you so mo be am for you and to ba bio yes so mo me break am yes so mo
1957 and mpanimfo no di maye general maburu oba omwaye oba omwaye na ebegi wonye sadia yewe kuto makomako edumiensa ene guyechi ha ese ye ka ekiro nyina woko egose kokoti ma ko igua isa so akwa ekiri dunia ye brempani wo pani wo ba encheje ese no mo boy enti extra by regional minister wa ba foforo honorable Frank Amwako hene yes rose to nice form na kotokom bridge o hwe stage a bridge wa etia ni na titia pansam baby crank ese close bridge no but enam say ye ni alternative bia no ana ye nkakran
me nam hwe ase etika kese bia mfa bridge ni so sa ba kra kai koko esokra no igu on ya brane asoa e de twa bridge no sa ka fofra baje ko bugo so abobo ya na de ko pelufo aba the fair bridge no eso mo po mo si bibi ni si wono no o mo ye ansiaga eti nana nana Dubai wa mo eti mama wa ba esre wada esre onu pelufo minister o me dumie na mo na ye mo bo ko dos de bebe e wa chiro e fa sa ko si sunwa kwem
enkro no mo free say ba no aka just a weak bridge the bridge now o compass na very dangerous
we Okanu obeye.
When you aje.
Many aje. Papa bi. Many aje pasa kotali. Ya maye. MPP boy wa be kum ye pasa.
Adai.
Wa kuye.
Finally the president of Ghana John Dramani Mahama His Excellency. Kotokom bridge na ye hwie.
Vote no. Ye betin tim no wa fro.
Next 4 years.
Me na me ka kire wo. Enkola keto nyina be mo mato aba.
Awa ha.
Me kire wo de MPP tam no mo yi kokko gu akire ha. No maso de atwa. Wa bridge kakraka we hwese do masi aye ne kama so asama me gira so kura me chese se Mahama wo che me 100 billion kura nka mani so de sese bi we aye sei no omunya me bia no ba sese si aya amfa ya na amfa ha na bridge ji se kim de o meka se NDC fo no moja no mu de ya de enti wan se o me bia no nipa awuo ya srek se ye me amfa nyimfo no ye fa so kakra ba obi ama ye kwan
na modie no mcheza na modie na esai eti omu sese emfa so eso minister ayi de contractor de omo akwai
akampanya kwawe nana no bae ye kwa menam do mama ahukura na sama baba
kwasem ne papa na yaade ye MPP me mfa na anda empisa be mpredu asane ye wa ban mu no wa na ye nipa na bridge no wo ho ne ye fa so ye MPC nyina be fa so wa wo mu nyina hunu se ne ye sitie
ye company for so ba be bridge no kwa da o hire pega na de gwa sese kama quality bridge no maya e fala bridge o maya bridge aya bo se some years ebe ye ma ye nana mu na bebe che so be bridge no MPP abamba esuguru so amfie but the mama buy the tosumienu 1 month of the bridge no 3 months ye bridge kama kwa da bridge ndo bridge kama they say akwiafo ne o mamu ni kokoko nyina
ebo eje papa no so
de papa na ehu bi da kotokomfo de ehu bi da wa ya de so mo ma ere do mama de yes uniform me NDP ni pure ba ni ba ya de o sa yi
eso do mama nyambe hire na wo kura na sama baba bedi
aha ti we de etiefo we na me enye politics asem me ka wo se wutie sompa wutie sompa 106.5 FM enye politics asem me se ebra ye bo voices no owura bi kan asem bi se edru elections kura o mema nkwada nketenkete no de ye unacceptable ba wo se ye ni jemuru so
unya 18 years
unya 18 years awuntimi ntuaba ye ni jemuru so nti eno timi ka asa no ha na we so no story ya ye enye kotokroma asem na enye politics asem
social issue.
So na make say for God and country a social political show. And na say problem na ba ye kan wasam. Professor Abochi kan wasam. It is a yanka say NDC is in government, so we are not going to talk about the issue. So long as say de pa boni e beka papa e beka na up till now we will still talk about it. It is no makwa ya kroma for there omuni na agye and omo to omo who said the president ababe ye no woman ni aso it ombe ni say no Patrick mami fa opportunities na men kansi so koto kroma for us a story he say politicians no mistake aye omo ye ne say omo ba ukro mu omo ba ye de omo pe eye de kroma for pe.
That's right.
But at the end say free bis o ye social marketing na wo kwa you will identify the need the problem of the community, their pressing issue, whatever is bothering them, whatever amenities and also utilities are here, then you solve that problem. When you solve that problem, you have their heart. Obia what problem? So we solve a problem. So when you come to a community, your issue as a politician and answer what responsibility as a politician is to identify
their problem,
their pressing issue, and then find a makeable solution to it.
That's right.
If it is infrastructure development that they need, water system and here, electricity and here, bridge and here, that is your job. But normally na bandit because free senior high school policy, and I say sanitary pad policy, and I say the policy biaba. Some policy may be needed in the urban areas, but it may not be important to people who are in the rural areas. I hope you are getting my point.
For a specific group of people.
And you will say at the end of policy now the abano. Ebe buan crofobia ewo krokasiem.
That's right.
But it's a who kroketwa Omu here. Adia bakuna say when it come to development, say may development economics kakra. When it come to development, developmental needs in the urban centers, and yet the same as developmental needs in the rural areas.
Okay.
So I say developmental needs in the urban areas, and yet the same as developmental needs in the rural areas.
Yeah, for here no, and yet the same as the
and you say you metropolitan.
That's right.
At the bit is a Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly, Accra Metropolitan Assembly, and Yemo here wahano. Who kokoto kroma they may not need it.
That's right.
And at the same way, no sawuba famwa region beyond suni die here no. And then as a politician who are strategic, you will not get the here. Region bia in the here no. So we do a santimantemwa, a santimantem for the catcher will say, Womu who and crying choir. Ya ye the bebre na you are moving to move pebio. I'm telling you. It will surprise you. So when you get to Ashanti region, now we research kakra. Uba will say, so mo shem for nyini. No mo se bia in samso tatakwashi N1. Hey, Kumase for fair. So when you are a Kumase, now you solve that problem. You have their hearts.
That's right.
And as a Uba Central Regional, you know, so many fisher folks. Afarefo, they have their special needs. When you solve that problem, no for them, you have their heart. So, one northern part of the country, you will also identify almost pressing issues. But unfortunately, central government, Flagstaff House, and Jubilee House, no one decided the destiny of another region. Now, any relatable to them. Municipal assembly and a metropolitan assembly when the central government they need to align no more synchronize their developmental needs now we get the specific pressing need of the people say ebasadia and they will be able to win timidity say kotokrom story I
think say it's about time a politician but I am not among krum for the pay. Yeah, Mr. Forecast him, Dr. Michael Bonina, Mr. Cassim, dog, maybe I will be a Yamisha. And so no, I am a marketer. Or say, where there is a problem, there's money. Okay, baby, a problem will be an Sikao. A bit is Africa. Africa, you will problem bar. Lebanese for the bar. Woman in India for the yes, some of my best solve problem. No,
Yeah, complaining. We nag and complain about the issue, but we don't do anything about it.
Now, I'll come to us to say, when you are able to identify a problem, you get money.
Of course.
If politicians, if a politician is able to identify the need of the citizens of that particular area now, also the issue now to say anyone master me are working.
Yeah.
What's up, man? Correct,
I said,
that's what solving the issue, man.
Yeah.
One man akuma Tony.
And bridge a year in 1957.
Yes.
Na atete. Na kroma phone timi mfaso. Obi nko obi ma. Omuduru ho obi esro.
Obi asifiri for mo.
Kopim se video yi eba social media ma ye kan ho asem. E na aban any municipal assembly ni kabo mo makoye. Eju se krom ho nyina he. Omo ye bridge ni wie no. Omo ni age se omo be ma omo manketo akra koto aba.
Obi nya crowd ketebe ko se ono ada.
So it will say politicians bebre woman strategic. It's na make us say urban needs are different from rural needs. And now when you go to the rural areas, area be answering the problem and the pressing need.
That's right.
So you no politician no. I don't say district assembly policy they buy say me say adwuma no. Mo be identify na mo inform the central government. Now no discuss no aba. Na ya. But unfortunately, your benefit na tena say me can Jubilee House wa. No but decide say oh yeah the sanitary pad policy aba. Yeah, the free senior high school policy about it may benefit some people, but over court baby no, they don't need that.
Now I'm sanitary pad near me man is no
so I tell you, Patrick, my men here from them. Issue I discuss any story no. Now we are saying another JNANA.
Any baby a recalcitrant.
Okay, I saw ding.
Any baby a sworn ding. And the kotokrum, I'm making sure say. Obian favorite the bridge in so 21 days no more can.
Okay.
As for the when he pass.
Oh, say assembly member near the Kasa no or can be say. Or the BBSC end to end. It is a tax in the drew. Nani panasi. No ma fan some so about the other side no for another taxi. Copy 21 days omo ye no e be kasa mpa aye solid etika betimi afaso obaso dey and dem etiase
ma so betimi kura ko yi sa ne ma na free ho e de taxi akofaso omo chi obi sa ye ka
Patrick one man tie for Roman Sade dey na acheche nkomo 0260 196064 0260 196064 and 0260 196065 0260 196065 and 0260 196064 issue at that paso awutie for God and country and awutie was SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. Ye from AKOSUA Gwabo you betimi from AKOSUA nche na wie metre mama Professor Abochi e wo for God and country so margin check akra modi about Facebook live no making kind na before no ma repeat numbers no per say so will be more 0260 196064 0260 196064 and 0260 196065 0260 196065 now yenua abena edu brempon wo shoye e wo Facebook live and what dia say good news guys so no de obedi ni dwa kese pa and Masawud Kumase Bantama and ono so e dia say the efforts to remove the suspended Chief Justice is a political orchestration. It's one na jimpomu no Chief Justice asam no yamonyo sam and I was say sabre wodin chia my former KMA boss Honorable Sampai Rahim Rankin so dia wadia ba for God and country was say show bia show ankasa. One day they can say show ankasa show which the show is showing
the show is showing
SOMPA ba yede asetina pa
that's right
any abrabo pa
that's right
any SOMPA
that's right
any we are not just a mere radio station it's a station that you have to be impactful
that's right.
Those are me can Michelle Jumediana say me can say war your arms. Say there were 3 arms of government, you know. Sana media, no. So you were 3 arms of responsibility to entertain, to inform, and to educate. Now, so most of the media houses now they focus more on entertainment and information.
Education,
but the education part, you know, is missing. And now so problem oriented solution oriented station
troubleshooters
it identify the problem and then we said no media landscape what they are lacking is the educational aspect it is you fairly gap no if say no be an pensem hunu There are a lot of people or more per solid information. One more per radio would see or to when your mindset shift, thought provoking ideas.
That's right.
A bit challenging.
That's right.
A bema on you can't repent. Repent is to change your ways. When Namhano said, no, this is not the right way. Let me take this path. It means that you have repented. It is sanity. It is a station I would see which means that no, menam this path.
I could repent and change the now.
Oh, there be I agency. It is a work cast one repented. No one change you where you have not repented. The way na we are. Say no betie nana. Na nyan support de bema wunyina wan timi afa bia mobra. Wo betimi atena wedding. Oh nana de okaso. Oh nana de wotufuo. But it's the implementation, the application.
Okay.
Oh said the application of knowledge is wisdom.
That's right.
Enti nyesa wo benya the knowledge no nko wo nya wi ade na wo de. Sa ade chi na wo tu one more, it means you are wise.
That's
so
right.
the difference between you are wise and the sabio or you idiot. Sometimes you use that word no. And they say obete won komo but on take any step. I be man timi adru ho. But the wise will listen and will change his ways or her ways. Dear chia who be no na bro abo say as one say say e bia metie nana or can say the man who say no I need to be strategic. I say me mama ni da ho I say me timi tutu me niam yi enti sompa de for the wise. That's only right.
That's right.
For the wise only. Enti me ken come man for adwenkyere kakra o mo de aba. Yenua bako Steven Yadom one day abasobo ena eba yada se ena enwachi yenua Joshua Amezuo and will say transformation and sisa and no wasam any ekano wanting best or say nana ye bua funti ena me waha me baba betie no ena call jaban so edene dia ba no say ewrei ne voice ni intellect ni manage hu me da se yenua Rahim ranking so dia wodi aba and will say anti akosua mitie mo pa me yenso ye da se pa we issue no aka no so we will definitely do something about it yenko commercial break kakra ye ba ya nana atna na yemfa nkomo chiche no and to make I say you are listening to SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra for God and country. Hajia special local food abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wa aduane ne wa aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese wedding akese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi atwa nani a Hajia special local food e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no de enti e friend local food ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes apro meko apro JNANA apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se eya bontine aduane edi yenye ne bisa dabi Hajia suro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eye ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo motena se no wo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se momfra Hajia special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Hajia special local food pese wo fra eye 024 63 59921 024 63 59921 and answer 059 479 7215 059 479 7215 na with them
midimafo pokwase maira Accra midimafo pokwase maira Accra
midimafo heba clinic aba Accra
ani o wontie passengers egumi kai mu ehwa na dodo na ekro
eni sa Accra ne potem yedemu
ani yedemu ampa the say there edutwam Atlantic International University America memu abo Dr. Edujamfi babaso honorary degree as a professor in biology in herbal medicine it is said there ayaresa no aye more misi minim wife ye kopa wo wanye ye 1 cedi nyinse ne betom ansa na yetues ka no misu mi connection na enhyeda nkoye na esakakra ti say wa page mu amahode bam
connection ne mu de we
wa wo de ba de kura wa ba de kura wo de ba de kura ye ka stroke nso de wo fa no small chese agidi wa wuo ne de asie no yare bia etatia e wo Dr. Tamda so eni so diabetes hepatitis B prostate hypertension malaria yare bia kumasi say
owo agogo opposite government school no
ena nkra hanso obepiem e wo pokuase mayira kwan no so for doctor 0244 774 282
and 0500 727215.
Midimbafu Herbal Clinic.
Wudimafu ni hwa.
Electroland abeja. Near the money I'm a panning in Answabo. Wait, Thursday, 10th April 2025. Prior showroom for front and Kumasi Techiman Kwaneso.
Yeni Roma sorry dino. And I said backsword Nedia Nimshe.
Property was Samsung, TCL, Media, NASCO TV, AC, fridge, gas cooker, washing machine, deep freezer, home theater, microwave, blender, kettle, rice cooker, and any more puppet count winning now. Now winning baby. And you count for baku 50. Ebenya 15% discount. Any actually, it's a rubber taddy. Count who now say now.
Kosia gwabwaje metinemu ede ama Professor Kobla abochinyame yadom adwara mo betene nka e wa hase na yenkomo twetwe ye segment etosum yene no ene ye ne nana aye boafo JNANA e betwetwe nkomo life coach wo obi a yenkoso hene nso wadumasa na ene nkomo na ye betwetwe na hu hia pa sese wutimitie bi na nantenase a na unim se ekoye na nsana no me wo voice bi a me pese mebo wie pe na afa me ne nana enkomo twetwe no me ne no atoa so eno nti ye kone kwakotie ni briefly nana voice say nana kronim se mebo me sheda de tay eti bajo are ready yenko na yemmo na yemma enkomo bi emre bi nana kan asem bi na asem na okae no ye pese ye busa ne ho asem se de be ya bibia ebetimi akoso wano meka wo sa ha SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra for God and country dwumadie na wugusu a wutie no na enche ye ba bedi abrabom nkomo ye ba bedi oman mu nkomo nyansapo ene nkyerkyere a ebetimi aboa ama eniema etimi akoso wano na aboa wo ewo hasei na wo bra wutie na breso na sey ye de ahoma ne to a lines a wo de be ye adwuma na ye 0260196064 0260196064 and 0260196065 0260196065 and 0260196064 and no any numbers ye de be adwuma won so betimi afre and Facebook page no and so SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra ene na ye boafo JNANA no we ye dumasan koso hin wasan so life coach aspect no nkrofo depa ena enkoso hin dwumadie so wadi no so nkrofo ani capable pa so omanfo ani eti ene ye ne betwetwe mo na mo ansana enkomo ne be chance me read mu few messages ansana ya baba beto so Olivia Boatema wasi Ashanti region ho ena ogusu a wotie yen ena ye nua baako Ishmael Odum ono nso so edenchia manana ena eno achi nso Adama Kwatara ono nso greetings no se daddy mechia wo sabre ya ena ono nso so ede aba awode amaye ewo SOMPA 106.5 FM sanso na wonso obetimi ababe kan ho SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra ewo Facebook live na one ye achitwe enkomo eyie eti sabre moma yenkotie ensem bia me pesa me bochre na nansa na ya hye nkomo no ase
se sia ya honorable Kenya Japan one was only 38% no I am telling you say one tries to be call independent BB na or stay with MVP 2028 there will be serious surprises for people in the MPP. Next year 2024 election no I don't want to say anything here but said the most of you more no and next year election so can I Japan me if you listen to me tie so we tie me I may be somebody not known. Nobody knows me. I'm just JNANA, simple guy here. But I want to advise you. If you want to have any serious future in politics, don't go as independent candidate. Stay in the MPP. Just after a year from today, Emma the next year, you talk about we are. Uber tell me advice na say. Ti de me no kanu. Of the Ghana he di atem. Ti nsem ka wo kan e se wo de adwen to ho. Na nyame ma onyansa na won kan yiye. Said the bear obi nka se wo ha na ya bedi atem. So can I Japan, if you will listen to this, I am a mystic. I don't go out begging for money from politicians. They come to me. I don't even take a kobo from them. All the politicians have been coming to me. Obi meka wan say JNANA abisa me number kekeda. I will not take your number. They will call me and call me and call me. I will not pick the number. So later on, say, daddy, my friend was father. That is me. I don't want anybody to think there. Me service I may render a second tier. Politicians, big guys, they come to me and I will not even take phone and call them because I don't have their number. So what I'm saying is that can Japan pa until they are making. Here na one co independent. What na MPP mua. Just a fit from now, a year from now, you will understand what I'm telling you. Opa say, unya great ambition in politics. Opa say, we hear something great in politics. Me say, be a man for a country co-independent because unya 38% it means our support is true. But opa say unya say be na we na opa men co-independent. Even if they won't support to campaign don't make any announcement about the fact say opa say oko independent BB. Stay there. Actually, a year and 2 months. Just 1 year, 2 months. Even say 14 months time. Wo better the American say. You will understand. Say the make a Ghana for part-time di. Men can be BBA enter her. The American next year, year 2 abani wiye January mu. I will come back and tell you what I meant by what I'm saying today.
Okay, Ghana for me munyina maya krado se mo betie nana nso so aye krado se yen so ye be etie nti we de me nko studio bi na me komo nana obrasi me mo akwa abo
I say cuz me Joseph
na mpacho bibia oboko de
onyankopon daroma me sorry me ho eden pa
ho de pa
me gidi se wo so ho ye
nyame adom me ho ye pa
na first time me no ehia wo
so me pacho no kre
and my memo about we are very good
me da se na
but me better high me hwe the way our kasa you are good
me da se na me
da so good trust me and say we comment na do do na so ebo abaso
me da se
things say we very great gift.
It does.
Okasa, how I will control over both the Chi and the English, the way I articulate, and we are very good. Maybe no Bianca make come. Oh, catch it.
Nana me dance pa, Jamisha P. Nana me no beshem kobana say free voice me boy, but before that no. Debi me tell us I was shut pa.
Yes.
Say. And essentially different colors. Nana akai mo kumasi mrum.
Okay.
Ye papaya Hatman Mr. Jemfi na ono yo de bia no se sache de bia no ne ba ne abranche wo me ka de wo NDC mu ya ne baba ko of free say busuanim broja ai ne e friend Hatman na ono so de bia wo different na me hu say won so wo e chemu ahodo colors and secret bi wo mu ana
Medasi edin kana ma yenche obibia ohwe.
Okay.
And somebody I say fi hana me fi. Unfortunately last week na mini Ghana ntina menti mi ama no.
You're right.
Doctor so frɛ na me so me ba pa me bedru ya me ba.
All right.
The attend say me obia because say I follow natural laws in the universal law ntino. Especially when it comes to colors.
Okay.
Me a very circumspect with the kind of colors I mentioned.
All right.
But when it comes to a channel, I think it's something that I just love to do. Because I'm showing you
okay.
And there is nothing mystical about it. I just love wearing.
You open this when did you ever so?
Thank you very
much. Now there also ultimate combination. That's it. Because I'm sure designer show no but any channel so no and I can't say way a light green be and I will say a little deep but say the combination is now we are very fashionable.
That's it.
But okay. Nana and then so yeah baba be din komo minim say niam bebre da wakoma so obeka ho asem but before that no me kwato voice when I'm say no me pese ye ka ho asem if say wo share NPP flag bearership race no for the past 2 weeks and only issue amani muso pa no waka ho asem maybe a chemunti let's go back sansem na wo kan no wo da so stand on it and I said dey na motivate wo e ma wo kan sansem no
me da se bebre no kwanya me ne no obi a wa follow me achapa on social media nim say ade bia me ye no every year 3rd January I am be kan some we are singing na e be see within afini nyina.
Okay.
It's something I've been doing for more than 7 years. Na me kai say ya ba beto about last year 2024 no. The we are na kiti no. I mean e beto aba na politics bebre ba obi ba bompa ya mame bompa bebre. Can Japan obi a menene nhia da.
Okay.
Menene nhia guess one. The day I say menene nhia da say oni me na me so me no. But na me call US. I'm no kwakwoja na mabi kwan e wo airport. The me for Emirates, no so be for Emirates. You know kwakwoja o mama ko check in. That's the first time me hu na nim say. Na me ngintum say oni me.
All right.
Ntino me twa mu no no twa mu. See, I want people to understand so onye obi a
unnim no and asa yanko fa bi da mo ntem.
Nothing of the sort.
Okay.
Na ye ba beto aba no. Na me nim say MPP NDC be winning.
SOMPA FM.
Na when and so nya winning ketwa.
Okay.
Kesiya pa Emma even numbers are MPs ni benya no. MPP for MPs ba me nche no I told them.
Okay.
Say NDC for MPs on benya no on boboro 150. Yeah. There's one MPP many no very close.
Okay.
Nti oba no oka say say dey no onye. Na me ka chen so be lusu.
Why who she is
because it's already in the stars. They say he's going to lose his seat.
Okay.
Until no make say meet me be amana. Ebi am paibon e beba amano. But I cannot guarantee him say be a meet me amana winning.
Now some mobile empire man cry to not change anything.
Ain't change because already in the stars say he's going to lose.
Okay.
And obiza me say see no e ba umi na eko. Ba no o support Ken.
Okay.
Until no me hu ni say on find support on Koba will be on your campaign want to be on your name. So I told him, say that day me buy number by me life now, me can't say that very day, na Tuesday. Until me can say this time around no Ken and Lucy.
Okay.
By a 12 we are 2028. About 67% yes or no be the MPP for him. I told this MP American.
Okay.
So tia on him said they make an intro. This our percent on your future beer. Even though they say Baumia na ekode, I'm find support Emma Ken.
Wow.
I told him.
Yeah.
So he was a bit disturbed, confused. I say because said this time no be Lucy. You're not going to win.
All right.
But all the support man on Nasa Chinebino or nobody be deep anymore.
And you will be benefiting.
Support the man when he was not even in the race. I told him that.
Wow.
The year 12 anyway. And Obanos me da wase say wo catch them na me say my for seminar also on can cry at answer so on there the support one even though say went me and when there.
Wow.
Until me buy na my life so I felt say I should explain.
Okay.
Under normal circumstances and I say me Ghana near I would have said what was going to happen in Ghana.
Okay.
Because of America for or more election I said the categories when we say even up to the timer na Joe Biden me catch say Joe Biden will not contest.
Wow.
I mean, will follow me 2023. Yeah. I said the agent on contest say Obama no baba contest. That time no needing wo ho obi a yagiatum. Ti menye Ghana ni a.
Yeah.
2024 bank America bagana had the way tie no. Yente politics.
That say nti wan sha wo kakra na.
Benya atem didi amanfo be didi watem basa so I kept mute. But obi bia na obey me to say I told all of them, said, this is what is going to happen. Even though me and support to MPP and NDC, I support to Kwame Bediako.
Okay.
But I told them, said, this is what is going to happen. Now, the way NDC for back MPP for mu
elections,
and yes, so Ken, when I checked, I had 2024 before election, I saw say, I had 2028 election, the probability is only more than 60%. And into the chair said, because now amount for will be 8 to 24.
So on court that side
independent, because I mean, I attend some.
Yeah.
So I felt say papa minimum number, and he might not even know me. But my main card they don't from him. Maybe somebody will watch this video and tell him. Now me name so and I want to whatever. But I felt say he knew say non person ka onye the uncle independent of the BHS. I felt say no or copy.
Ebehano.
Was there any chance? Because according to political laws, no say we free party no be mu a. Any very easy the same opportunity.
So we shall Alan Kodechama is the same thing that happened here. A background sa ubakra party no shada enya umujidie and support us.
Alan case, my case been chilo.
Yeah.
On this na kra bi odi nachi. On the Medina. On dey very close pa. Nti me your life. Ena me kan say no munya kra contest on ba omia. Ena me kan say stars na kan say bi akire me say the wife of Alan Cash will be a big problem for him. And the reason is the relationship with the MPP members is very cordial.
Wow.
So people will vote against him because of Nere. I said this. And actually after some time, Obi or Ben or Pa because an Alan Wofu. Said they didn't make answer. By your tour Benny or Lucy, that's when he understood what I meant. And truly or more Ben or more, they will come say, hey, now they wouldn't move away. It's like they are affirming to whatever I was saying. So the whole point is that me the way I am Majumano, I write.
Okay, who are which row?
And then we're able to tell you how the whole thing is going. So Ken, I want to go independent, 2028 or every chance to lead the MPP. And into your total normal year starts in 2023, I can say our chance. That's why I came up telling him so. And Ken, I like the way you're normal.
All right.
Because me, I'm a kind of person that me believe in will be or action oriented. And will be or kasa be Okasa, you must do.
Except be results to share. Except be dia dance here.
Now, even though I am MP for many years. But no more munimun and kasa kind of personal life. No more year, month for year, Juma,
yeah.
To Obia or notice I know what on your president. Now, or that kind of ability to me as a children on your position, Mr. Why not? So personally, I looked into a star, maybe about Umia there, maybe Alanka, maybe Omunina there, and I saw our chance in 2028. And yes, we never a president, but leading the MPP, there's a possibility to say, obey to me, I lead the party. So my advice not fire, good, one teswa, and by nature's own arrangement, one independent. Say, see, and if it's or no name, but Miami, you know, by 2 start or more party, and looking at what I know, our chance, high chance. So we'll lead the party in 2028. They say even but when they went to me when the presidency or could be more our chance. So he can become a president one day, but on conducting who on showing who because there are a lot of people around him. I hear on bit me disappointed.
Nana minim say we obi a wutimi dosuko ehu niema edi ebesi nyame wadoma chede a odi ama obi a wonso so wo de no obi ti say Ken say the wo kan utulfo say obi a oba ni bi anka nkyere ne say hen wanko independent so we lose ebra no person or presidential candidate ema the new patriotic party no na our chance say that obetimi ababiem I ampa anko say there because we lose in so ampa and now all sign babiem say we share the competition between one about me say very close first because your call flag bearership rate no crano it was a young one percentage now when they never expected to say obetimi edru ho it we chese at that time umponua number we vice president so what we nya we dia then the probability say obetimi di ne tie wura mu no e wapa but ebi mu so kan say minim dia na knowledge kakra de be maye no ebi mu hu ne say ne utterances be in the past our yetia party no ensem bi efri nanu mu baaye against his own political party and the same message and the opponent NDC for fire and the campaign and the NPP for ekutia womo enti party no a upese okotu franka ma wo mo no say record bebreda wa e dan this for nsem say so obey flag bearer omo be replay they say the na mabo ma replay wo video ni audio omo be replay all those serious negative commenter we hear about your own party nana say wo share obreya ye boya say why ye niam be in the past na bia upese wo turn into a new leaf entimi mama hantew and how and say wo bibia na
me da say see the thing say people should understand say ye po bia kase bi na num nsem ye nsem fi I say ya there because there's no way Donald Trump to my American president. Now I want people to understand to listen to this.
Wow.
Say obia na num nsem say ya there I say party ya. Nka Donald Trump there's no way nka 2016 or when you san lose your chi was my president view. No crap I can say we are say obia pen kore. But better.
Okay.
And into no so can no hwe nsem bibia o kana even though it must seem say be a kote any party no. But people find it very difficult accepting the truth, especially when it goes against them. And the time no soon, no more quack compete here. He should be able to explain to people, say, oh no, you're not come for. And when the party and just on tenacity. And let's
take advantage of that.
Take advantage. You see, there's nothing like impossibility in this world.
Wow.
And in the company say, Drew, no, say, me party could meet him Kasachrom. The me president, now you're a party member, no Jimmy, Ghanaians are already fed up with MPP and NDC. Because of the way I tell them for about 32 years in MPP and NDC, the same at the comment now. And if he comes out here, or you're a little bit unique in a sense, the party timbo machi, or more about him, can't send man on 1 year, some party more. He will be able to convince the masses, say, hey, Ghana, your problem number one is corruption. Corruption is say, a bamu for ADC cannot ban and Kazentimun can want him. Say the Misuti Entino. Before be a human nipa no ye corrupter meet me chinipa because you guys have problem bibi am meet makase my bibi me come asem ni order until obetimi use for his own
advantage. Wow.
The man na ndwen won say e be quality any party
no
they say I call US President Trump on one party for him can say bibi tia no mfa ho what am no ko ni be
yeah e won do ultimate canas
see adru ba bia. People are not so much interested in political parties and now political figures are almost too diplomatic.
Yeah, penokre.
No cre, baby, and no can. Ebeye binum ya. Ebeye ya. Be pese wo kan no cre natural mu.
Enokre.
So can no so me can be. Me ma no ndwen ho se na ade bia wo ye atwam. En no ba be stamping block no. Ebe benefit on rather.
Okay.
Yes, baby o ha anko yi ya e bia manfo be kan wasem baby so call binum accept so. Even though he was an MPP member or your MP, but can same when we means a change because you're president. This person no on who you are, he can deal with you. And Ghanaians and I say will be a or your radical kakra.
And a near ding,
Bibia member Ghana for Sebi. The same Muna Yedi. So president you near day party so you near and no bit managing nipa. I think that Ken Abia and Sembia Waki can be a chomuno. It will rather favor him more than a month for being say be a quality and no. MPP yet to about only 38% no. That's an answer no Canada.
No aka.
They didn't only 38% no. It means some people sided with him said you can hear no correct.
No correct.
Ya ko ba se Ghana fo nyina ye hade o. Se see you know MPP ba so 8 years. O hwe omo to aba na nkasa na. E ye nkrofo a no omo benefit from aban no.
Okay.
So even though among such people no otimi nya 38%. They say see ya aban ni power bill no.
Any obenya say
that delegate now omunya bibia adodede bia mfa man hu sisi ya no they will use their heart to vote. That's when you see her obekini
enti any manipulation so be na manipulate you and say benefit bia wunya self interest bi
said you feel bia
because they say obi ama o kapre you are on your own.
That's when you see your smoothest level
na ebasa ne NDC fonso eteki me fanso be flag bearer ni tia ko ye de probability wanya na NDC fonso the those videos one say or the almost to social media to platform no more bobo flag bearer with Gina party we on ebe pre no yenti asem a wo kankan eno so na enya nsunsan so bia
see Ghana ha no aban bia na obenya 8 years wa aban mu no ebe ye den pass obetimi break 8 no yes and nti see na eye President Mahamat so no say ankoba na adwin mu say be on the constitution say with my contest be mu a it means 2020 on to be nko.
Yeah.
So whoever is coming from the NDC side in the first time.
Yeah.
And then say Ken Subia also lead the MPP and say in the first time. It is not going to be very easy for any one of them.
Yeah.
What do I say? Now that time say NDC phone to me perform make a or me performance and a be enye de
obi asem bia okoka
more example.
Me ti onana.
So be here better about 2016. Can be by papa no.
Papa no me kai pa.
E ka ho bi pa na Mahama de lusu 2016 aba. But I mean kind of credential say Ghana phone pay info a sebi. Omo de ne mi nu mi ensa ne nnan. Omo nyina na omo ka bi.
Yeah.
Because na ba be ye term na e da ho. Kenya Japan, minim say say ne madoso pa. They say the mayor said 19 was a baby.
And the madoso,
yes. So no, and news more be I say be a Ken girlfriend.
Okay.
Tell you about
me too, Panana.
Obi or 1 man 99 on them mad be now. So a child could say the pan or girlfriend and your news. But Obi on wine also say holy no. On a question pin about news.
And the bay news and pa.
Then send be a work can to one a month for doing be a quality no. You only can do a radical person when you come.
A government or cannot
Kikabigu on a work can ask much though. So those things and Emma may a big tag a bit to me against you. So I will personally say on your chance say obey the party no on say those things no obey to me use in this one advantage.
Okay.
I had the number so binya sem be help be who be and say be nude pictures be trouble and it's two ways. Already bet me aho I don't want to see baby. Na afi wunti mo mani pam bio. And number one. And I say obey take advantage you know how say your whole life e kasa. Who follow you obenya so there's two ways to do things.
Yeah.
Either so be fa binkum na nifa.
Na mistakes betimi power care
I'm telling you. Na nsen ge bia baba we bia ni video ba bonte no ne me be sensia da o se den se mo hwe ya video bi ba bonte na young girl bi. I try ko hu ni follow page na chi social media. And social media now no follow you no e sika.
Yeah.
So even though nipa na ya ade nka society ya dey front upon. But now, no, she is making money from Zana de Bonnie now. Because people are following her. So the thing is, I did be about tone. It is up to you to decide say, which side you want to take. Do you want to use that as an opportunity or as an obstacle?
Wow.
So can I jump whatever it is, obey Timmy capitalize on whatever he has done. Nensa Mokanyina, no what Timmy they are benefited for his own future political ambitions. For me, they mean saying idea Behano. So him do you obey Timmy afa.
Obenya structured ya adane than in here. Now what you know sweet dear. We are life coach inti mema obi a wo tie because sompa meka we say wo tie sompa 106.5 FM Accra for God and country dwumadie wonu aba AKOSUA ABOAGYE metie mama professor Kobla Abochie na ye ne papa na etwetwe nkomo na ayabi afogiana na we die gina so obi tie o sa brei na ye nyusu sa point ye wi ya to ye nkomo no so na bemu obu na mistake bi a wo ye nti enema bi esisi no won life mu ye ne say wuwu krankeye obi na recently metie obi story I was say ne yire no in Nigeria ni ne yire jana be public omu di be so ko share dem ka denka or committee suicide because of that divorce no because na busua no obi anya bibi sa da ni mo nyam obusua nim no akwaware obi o celebrity na aware ne jana ne number bia na busua na say wagu omu din ho fi ni ade na ye wonkrofo bi ho omu ti omu ye mistakes bebre they are still dwelling in the past and they think say there is no future ahead onti be mpem konanim ade afuto na wo de ba ma obi a waye bibi ono agitum sa ade we die sabio sabre na magimi sabre na menim nyansa hope bi wo ho e ma obi otesa na
isa go say ade ate say determination ya ade are very important.
Okay,
ma me mo example bi akokwa a wo fi me papa na me pa ye nkoko ntimi nim kokko wa yipa.
Okay,
otunkusua ne gu ho a bebrebe a ono akokwa na akobutu nkusua ne so obutu nkusua ne so obetimi abutu so 7 days 2 weeks no on sorry enko toilet. Yes. Na osore no oja ne nan ya obon se area ho nyina na ho nyina sai akoko na obutu nkusua ne so no SOMPA na ni enhu de okosua num but onim say there is some life
nkwa bi ho
that will come out after the 21 days.
Wow.
Nti obutu ho de nan begene ekombede no sukombede no obebe so obeja ne nan ba owogidie bi say there is something in this round thing I be babontin a life.
Come.
So that kind of determination and persistence in it and truly after 21 days, life comes out from the shell.
Wow.
And I do. Because you are not the ending.
Yeah.
Onim the womb. But Owoji be say Obutu Sunun Kwade. Something.
When it does so be.
See the tennis are Brabomuno. You say wouldn't and train and committee we are mistakes in and said what's your answer. And until you hear other people mistake. At times no, we will mistake in our why no. It too before. So even though it might not be the best thing for you, when you say a two one who answer not the same about down on you no, other people will learn from your mistake and they will not encounter that. That alone is a blessing for you.
Wow.
Shadia ujina car kwan ho. Na wanim ho na obi twa kwan no. Na car born she ho tim. Na nipa wu a. From that day onwards, Bribia na obegina car kwan ho say wu twa car kwan mu no.
Yeah.
Sa sin na hu
ye no. Aya adesua ma.
It will play in your mind.
Hey, life is a mystery.
So for nature to teach you say wu twa car kwan mu a.
Yeah, no.
Pay attention no.
Obi be sacrifice.
Somebody had to die for you to learn that. So when you go through any mistake, when you say 1 or 1 to 2 no may you make sure you don't repeat that mistake again. But when you say other people will learn from that mistake.
Okay.
You want to say na member of
okay.
And you're not the first person to commit mistakes. I ko Bible num asofo akesefo prophet akesefo ya
David munyina
commit mistake.
For be say kundi kunu kan.
Yes, big mistake. And later no realize they repented and they moved on. Share Abrabon said yet no. Na me ni obi edi nkombo. Ofri adwuma mu a oba fie. Ena ne yere fie ne phone e wa adwuma mu. Wa ba o ya dru fie nti na ha no. Traffic o kwa mu ana ayi chize ne bag no security net ko fa bag ne ba. Nti o ja no phone no wo ne desk so. So wa ka chize me mfa me bag da bia me ka kire no menim de ko fa bag na me sinya abotre. Na bimpa se wanya wo phone no e wo office ho. Ena wo driver ebe nka wo ya du fie nka benya accident ewu. Nti huni say e nature e na save. Even though you mistake why say waja wo phone na wo say driver back huni say a blessing in disguise. Can you imagine so call ye na okoko fa phone na all ba no. Onim de ye na Range Rover bi e be border to. Range na nimu nyina say ne kan na nye bibia. Do one of friend me say we na to know. Na me sinti nipa na obo to no sinipa ni gina o se o ne nko ne shop ba bi na nka omomo ehwe so betimi exprema na me se manipa no nko wa save se enyo no na be pem wutu e bi kura nka atikrota bi ene ba be yam ntu hu se o ka no se obetimi yisu can spray bi na wo de spray ho ti jai na nipa no emfa na asem ko se e bi a we nya na phone no e wa adwumum ene e bi o drive yanka wo ba fie nka ta time na range be pem no to na bia ye kakago ka nka yam no
yampa.
So what I'm saying here is that there are so many things we consider to be mistakes. Lessons.
Lessons. Ebi so je won kwan.
Na wan kasampo no ade na wo ye ndi o chena e bia wo nye sa mistake ni bia brata bi ba me nchen o se obi awie ne 12,000 Ghana e wo ne mumu so. Ye ko buy nze di pa mi ni ne buy ndi ba.
Me obi bia me de 1,000.
Obi je na nim sei. E na obi ba ko je na chi no so o ye mumu.
Okay.
Nti o ya ma no na ni ha attention. We not knowing so all born code no. They want na chi na den.
Wo hu.
Omu free o chai and the best 50 minutes or here 12,000 Ghana cedis e ko. Ne bofu de hu de o here no nti o frebe no. Na o bi ta say is there anything na metimi aya ma ma ni saka ni sika ne bag. Na me bi say 12,000 no say o check it na we free o capital ni mu a. So na obetimi ya adwuma wa bra en hawa na. No say under there okay metimi aye. Na mzi hu ni say nature is teaching you a bad lesson. A very painful one, but something that will save you in the future. Let me man example say, can you imagine say na usika na account no no. Na you be 200,000 Ghana cedis. And now mo fa kwan we so yi usika na ka be feel say. Nti na ya yi 12,000. Or china bia na wo be momo no so obi gina wachi ya wo be
careful. Be ama wa desua even though it cost you something.
So even though the 12,000 is very painful there, but it is saving you from somebody stealing 200,000 Ghana from you.
In the future.
Let me kind of accept it when you say a mistake away ya china bi no e be boa mo watimi asave ho.
Wow.
So the question say there are many things that happen to us in life. What you say o me the mistake be na me ye hu ni say what do you do hu fo? So that people will learn from that.
This is film.
Nti no memo oba mu.
Okay.
So what to ho a Sorena Nanti Nako. You are not the first person to fall. You wouldn't be the last person. Name say who is there? We no any difficulty your opportunity. It will benefit you in the future.
Nana de wo kan ye efa enema etimi sisi eche se obo ade eche ya de ana se ya adusua de ma obi na World Trade Center ebra terrorist fo ye di plane ko hwehwe mu ye say ye
9/11
9/11 abrante ba ko story am say no power sorry ye na okọ adwuma wo ye adwuma World Trade Center eti ne yire ema ni breakfast na ohye white shirt it was just so em say coffee it onum coffee no na coffee ni shegu na tade ni it coffee ni shegu na tade mu no na esese wo sesa no because on timi I tempted on timi fanko di onu kwara ni bu ofu say coffee shegu matadim so he has to remove the shirt take another shirt now or iron now what they call short time no nana that short time no one kofro no one kotu ne ka anko no that was the time I say vunti aka akra amana do na ade ni see enti de agye ne nkwa was coffee no coffee na ehie egu na Kenya Airwaves and also so story omo airplane bi eko ship for mani pe wo mu nyina wi one lady only the only one na o take it asesa nko aboard the plane no odu ye no ye late wo pomo chop pomo faman wo pomo mu say no o say oh I need to go to a London almost say no papa sa plane now the although she was sad ne wura hoyi but one check one up pepe and you say Kenya plane no akwa form ama e de ohaw ene abinidi abanti papa asma ho kan bia no
plane ye tito India na no yi menim say wo he ya lady bi so almost say on message only 10 minutes
yeah tie no so once baba
10 minutes pe sebuzie what say say na 10 minutes ni bufu
pa be han pa
but nature was saving her me catch them for say dey be to life bia no just smile and accept it. Because you don't know tomorrow.
Nana de okay it say Bible say ade nyina mu fa se da manyame. Because nyame na nim de ye.
You should accept to see people. My friend was say me the son of the universe.
Okay.
Na no be say den na o kan say. Na me say ade bi e beto me no. Me hu say eye.
Okay.
Whatever happens to me.
Unim say yeah.
I am the son of the universe. Whatever happens will be good for me.
Eye ma.
Even though it might not look favorable now, no. As time goes on, me hu say eye ma me. I didn't why a mistake ya. You are not the first person to commit mistakes. When he says I will mistake in unrepeatable, name for two for. Now when he say other people learn something from it, be strong and move on. You can still become successful.
Medasipa, make it here for the Mutia SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. Na yene nana teaching komo way for God and country. Nana be band this name na we there. Ma me minim say won pe politics be brace ade, but about national issues so. Ya be ya timubi.
Ya timu kwa de ya
timu. Me be chuwa wura NDC ni MP mu kakra mu mienu. Na ya hade. Nana wo se ne yedi nkomo ne ka bibi se NPP for whether so many Baumia beba and also many Ken beba and also many Dr. Duchum whoever omo premier no ho NDC amonyo kono so the different candidate in beba say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama answer some BB and say ayanya constitution but ebim say entrenched there is no way say besesa no enti nya de ebetimi asesa no NDC side no ujine say obi omo de because e dia yetete ne doso honorable say din ketia Nidia Babe PM. Aye, I'm telling you. Nidia Babe PM. Aye. Sanso Enna, Chief of Staff, Julius Debra. Ono so Sanko for me nu omudiamba and there are others. Candidate womu yi womu ti epie ba no. Edie na wudi se betimi aboa NDC as a party. So womu yi flag bearers. What are some of the things so womu share? Every say mo body obi a yenim no ba bia. Yanti ni dia bia ti ni di kra normal but not as a flag bearer. NDC 40 we dey na betimi aka che o me fa nipa omo de ne ba be pray 2028.
The thing say nipa ne be di party nanimu a o china bi no so o we ne obedi o man nanim.
No kra.
The first thing is say yempe obi a se nipa ne ba be president a obetimi abu o man no. That's number 1.
Okay.
Number 2 ni say se ombetimi ompe obi a oya abrante kakra and obi a oya youth a onyi bi be.
Okay.
I said in Ketia well triple to the match omunya no nya ne chairman. No, that's my own opinion. He's been around for too long. And I think say achievement when you're a party no he should just stay there. Or try to transition here call presidential year. I think say it is not the best thing for him. You see, at times you can't be say, so we a dancer, now we stager. Time I was an IFA, a month for a budget also no. That's the best time to leave the stage.
Sana Oprah Winfrey,
yes.
Yeah.
That's the best time to leave the stage. Because Nipa, no matter who you are, one day you will fall.
Yeah.
The way free stage in a better amount for applause, no was right. Now, all say about for Muno. And I bet the last tag ever count.
Wow.
I see him, Kitty, I has followed him for a very long time. He is a very smart man. Even though at times on other political opponents here, and I say be or more training be about education or that, but trust me, that man is intelligent. Or a library. And a dear Obenya party no time or a regional secretary or be a chairperson. I will think that even after this 4 years, or power, no one can say I've been able to organize the party in Yatimia winning 2024 election. 2028, I want to sit back. Now I'm far manto no ma other people. Start tag and never done a swat. Trust me, say even a buying for be a bemuna and yan discrana, they will still give him that respect.
Wow.
Even though when you do a party to match a power. Remember now, you say about what I was ball. One day, something will happen.
The BBC,
a bit to me, I
say, will record me now.
To bet me, this 4 years ago, yeah, Uncle said, no, I've done enough. I want to sit behind.
Don't first send Munyam Nko.
On first send Munyam Nko. A Bayer man says, I say, was saying free here, some Bayer president. I don't think it is the best decision. Anyway, that's my own personal opinion. The end is if we're for Ubia, Yen for Ubia or Bayer Young. There's one thing I like about Baumia also. Oya young, and he's very intelligent. That's one thing I know about him. He is a very smart man. To be over that age, a president. Trust me, a far better than painful,
Yeah.
When we say your normal setup, we'll be 60. How many years I know call retirement?
60.
Oko 60, 62, 60. Yes, I call retirement. The man said, "Will be a headmaster or secondary school. Be more school near be a best 4,000 students." Constitution is when you are best 60 years, call retirement. The reason is that one who day when young son who munina air conform to your fees, wouldn't you manage school in the retirement? But here's the case, say, yes, I will be a president of any more than 30 million so they are. Will be as or call retirement with school because only to manage.
Only a cofano.
Yeah, fine, say, oh, my president. Does it make sense? Then they call retirement. Yes, one who didn't conform. Ebia who many things and to go and rest. Then will be on a call retirement from the sector SAB and Coachella. They say the Panama president. Yen trying to permanent will be over 45 years. I can't be 50. Such people know they have so much ahead of them. And to the Penimunas will be a wide papa. They are able to change things. Mrs. Ewonim say, we are Penimupa. Now, what do baby want to mean swimming? Because one more day no enter that now what swimming pool and cry a swimmer. And yeah, there you don't have any feel like going to swim because who is a attrao.
Yeah.
Obi or no what 17 years and or going say even actually be 10 years such a person no my monumental buama or my tumpon they don't even think about it. Yes, because the man I am paying for after all my man you know being about secondary school now university. But will be on your best 45 years. Every kind of baby cry primary school. Such a person no ever ideas because or again back at one. I am a time example besides the CIA say Ebi I make a one kind of CIA. See what to say and to quite as you will sunya. And Kahana wote. Even though you're getting into because hey Santa Qua. Over the normal. And
come with breeze.
But I will hear no back at what was sunya.
Back cow we
you will feel it more than will be any BB anymore. And the people go Maya, Obia, Sebi, or one crank and get no. They think about those kids, and they think so. My mania, dear, I'm a banner bet to me a benefit. Now, the man by phone to be a corner of school bill. Yeah, the school in ya on school fees on your bill be on phone. Say, see, as the empire for Ghana, say Ghana no more hospital. On my nominations and on Ghana hospital here, they will make sure they're making your hospital. Then I get your mobile. And fun, but we are not yet two ambulance with Neko Kolibua. You'll be thinking about how Kolibu managing no man. So say NDC will be for obi amana be di omanim omon pe obi a say bi oya brand kakra.
Okay.
Obi owo life ahead of him. Such people no eya no mutumi
agina o man no
ho. O man no mo say mpemfo say bi why ni bibia you who bibia wi o gene na agu akono. Such people no trust me they won't do anything. Especially with the black man.
Wow.
The black man already no do na nye. Adwene enye papa. So pull it down fa ho until after all. Why bibia
wi enti de besi bi ansi.
But or a young person or so much because na meti ase. Ne papa ti ase. Ne marketing kete. So adwene say so the person me bank school papa there. Then because all adwene the bucket wa hunti no. E ma adwene no e for other schools other nkrai ko unti me face and this for be fa obi a ye mpa obi o ye young kakra. Ah o adwene papa e de more mine no. E ba sa na say obedi person anim bia o chena we ne so a Ghana anim no be eba say betumi aboa ma no matimi ayi
na sabre say wo monitor NDC wo share NDC party no a unni obi particular person to me say and categories of people be a say we asmeti wetimi abodi aka say we ni party ne de ne ba ebe a omo ye young say they work and vibrant omo energy
metimi aka ni bebe say me ensa.
Wow.
Mesha from the northern side in Haruna Idrisu.
Okay.
He's somebody I think so very intelligent, Obi very humble, and looking at him, he'll be able to manage. Obi otosu mi enu eya okojoto abrakwa. He's somebody I also feel say or you'll be our credentials and or a lot of potentials will be to me as a son man. Then there is man, some cute average mind size be or central region or if any fella something. Felix will be
Felix Kwachofosu, government spokesperson.
Yes, honestly, will be trust me, he will be able to lead. At least for now, they meet me. I can think of these three personalities. Yeah, they might have maybe or more issue a minimum, but looking at it, Omami and San, Haruna Idrisu is 1, Felix Kwachofosu is 2, Okujoto Ablakwa is 3. These 3 people, no, say NDC for me to consider Sanko for me and saying say be or mume lead party, no. Trust me, no, better saying say, Papa ya or the saying, Obondi back say,
Chief of Staff Julius Debra.
Oh no, only be brave.
Only 50s.
He has been in the system for a very long time. He's done so well for himself.
Yeah.
So I think there's such people, no.
Oh no, so party no including in those or more NPP side.
Yeah. And I will advise him say, idea what he achieve in his life, no. Men find Hong Kong share presidential ambition.
Wow.
You see, many a times, no, I na no me why you coincidentally that some of this ethical conscious. These young guys, I'm about Budi. Haruna Idrisu is 1, Felix Kwachofosu is 2, Okujoto Ablakwa is 3. These 3 people, no, say NDC bit me consider me. If it's more age, you know, what form, it's not going to be bad.
Na ato force no so and crofo bobo ni din say and on so central region side ho and we want
so I think say my follow ni kakra ebia finances more very good but me hu ni say onye very good communicator.
Okay. Wow.
That's one side I'm but me hu say the communication ya dey a pulling crofo. And when it comes to political leadership say president again so be or very communicative.
Yeah, with me kasa yi.
Nti ato force say yes. Binim say be or boy adwumenti na ma ye see no na economy na ekọ the way economy. But for me, I feel say that side I the communication meaning so betimi I improve more and when you're younger a bit me about so betimi I improve on the communication how I communicate because my hair several times are on a man for you debate or panel how I communicate and you're very convincing.
Okay.
Even though he might know everything in his mind, but putting everything out, the communication, I am a favorite baby.
Okay.
And until I be a man for the company, he's a very wonderful guy. I think we're very intelligent.
Or very young,
economist, or you're very good, or you're young. And until a man for the company, yeah.
But me and son of boss, no. Okujoto Ablakwa.
Yeah.
Haruna Idrisu. And the last one, and a Felix Kwachofosu, no. Omo me and son ka wo reti wo ma hwan na ka wo be yi na pie.
Omo nyina nka me de be ma Okujoto Ablakwa.
Oh, you're foreign affairs minister.
No. I have followed him for a very long time. That guy is somebody or a basic. Basically, so or baby or one. No, what to who?
And on so shall say for University of Ghana, mechanical school time when you know. Or shall say for, but a bit more essay now our NPP no by NDC.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. Okay.
It doesn't matter. I say Marco Kwe. No petty be man and over NPP name boy.
No,
no, don't make Marco Kwe make I say. and MPP for so I'm saying more chairman but could be Okono.
I CPP I
so
one of the daily guy
even Baumia Kwan according to sources Kwan say Baumia no MPP from the beginning. So I don't think say we need a very important.
Freddie Blay no so CPP.
And I learned about Baumia Kwan must know different party and no ba.
And be must NDC no ba.
The whole point is say okay me great trading na say me na me go to me and me yanka me say omfama Okujuta Blackwa.
Okujuta Blackwa 44 years.
If you are only baby or you're young. So, and that guy is very intelligent.
Okay.
And he had you main call the constituency to her. But normally, maybe will be an hour pursue social media.
Yeah.
And look kind of comment now. He's doing so well.
Yeah, no pong about 1% so on.
Yeah. He's doing so well. To be on no your MP and the area at least what me see hono. It means a man or more opportunity. He'll be able to do more.
Wow. Now didn't know about how you do today.
No, Harry no say when it comes to politics, there are aspects to be here. On law, or very communicative, and or very intelligent. So with these three aspects,
as I am a minority leader,
system, no. The anything no, honestly, but it's an inferior no, ambrose be known so you're young, sir. I think that Haluna is a very wonderful guy, and I think say honestly to me, Aboa, I'm an NDC for no. So I'm say. Or more again a year, such people will be able to support.
Say, we share already said doing Katia artist in the Diabano or 68 years.
Yeah.
And Julius Debran so 59.
59.
But would you this say Harun openi said doing Katia the record ne kutan and the one fan call and Julius Debran so one fan call.
Yes.
Na young
you see as a student get what was saying
68.
So you're 4 years ahead, which means Obeko 70 saying 72.
72, 71. Yeah.
I mean 72. No say oh a private sector public sector and
retirement.
So why trying to come and put more burden on yourself? See, people should understand. Say abrabo enye miracle too.
Okay.
Enye competition. Where you be?
Okay.
And until 60 years, you say retirement. No. Kakana was saying, take time.
And enjoy
and rest until you die.
Okay.
Because when you're 70 years, I feel now because I'm about 3 a.m. president. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
See, Papa, we were bro, Nanado.
And Nanado.
No, see, Nanado, I'm not now the same age. Maybe 86 years.
Wow.
Yeah, and it's still there.
Okay.
My mom is so best 76 and so.
Wow.
And I know how intelligent my father was.
Okay.
But I say me kona menene kasa no kasa me say twaso be kasa dodo. You know why? By natural arrangement. Umfie no kwa animu a na wa adwan ho de ne bafom. Oh yeah. Yes. So umfie no kwa animu no. The organs in the body begins to malfunction.
Okay.
Until once adwan no na bafom. Until they say unya 60 years, they say retirement.
Okay.
They say you get ya wa bobra. You've been around so many years away, your petty leaders are to now. Papa, what make it so much for yourself, not financially, but Papa. The best thing is a fat toho. Nothing actually when you still have the energy and guide the young people. Trust me, whoever lead the party, they will still give you that respect. Now, at the age of 75, over 3 a.m., and so we do Plaza House, near baby food, near your way, now move. You are killing your body.
Yeah, what is
it that you're looking for? Then, you then.
Because a big cracker say a man penida than another than Kwaku the age in so can be tea. And the people say, or Bimuka Sentina went to me and perform up to people's expectation. A day and the party na co-positioner or so tall form no, the name
yes,
to 2 other
80 years. But the mom, see what Mrs. Here, she will do my way. Now there's stress and pressure woman.
Yeah.
Even for 40 years. Now will be over 80 years. Now the stress I walk on her.
Near the Nina so Etiana Kabe Udio Nana de Osu say and Kaba flag bearership race and NDC. Young from Mobi or young.
Obia and Gacha from best 38 is up to best 45 years. That range.
Wow.
The energy is there. The energy is there. When you say years, I have to walk up a bit of resting.
Now one casa will break or best could do breast swabba. Who's up for Ghana?
You should not make that mistake.
No, no, granted, the answer I am Crawford and Webber.
No, me say he should not make that mistake. And get to be on with you,
Matthias,
because end this in a while, Bemu. And a very difficult say, pay to be or Bemu nobody only 4 years. Ghana for no, you take it time and you take a decision.
Wow.
The first 4 years, you know, we are no man, your class, and I'm because obey you know. The second 4 years, you know, you bet me to Obama. But the TN say, the best thing is to obey to me, a German to say, I have been a regional secretary for a very long time. My bear chairman, pet, you know, my son, the other power. This is the idea. Me pese me rest.
Okay.
Nti no mrante na aba na ye wo gidi wo mu no me am pese me de me support emma emirum na omundim enimu na ye nnachi na ye guide omo. Trust him, that will be a beautiful achievement for him.
Wow.
Na emum uba as by contest enye within the NDC MPP. Now no maybe away in the twam na man for kra na ye nyan wo mo afi no manyi no they will come and hear all those because trust me afi na oma oba beta ni omo with a lot of things. As an old man, leave when the abroad is loud. Sit back, guide the youth. Enjoy whatever little you have acquired. Remember, Tanana didn't say any attempt, did all that. So now to say, me neba, and contest it. Second time, no, 20. The
first one, okay, at least now, person president, when you,
free against what to me. A dear better for life.
Tifako,
say you are not going again. I'm not from contest. Can trust me can now end this for good and need the man. But I'm 4 years, I baby be a chaka and say dim bonnet and waje. Within MPP go be a unit. I'm telling you. People will not be bold to come and tell, but I'm telling you, even within MPP, no, they are insulting so on and Molusu party.
Yeah.
When you have 4 years now, and you get a
plus what's no.
I see I mean feel no me will be 80. I have decided to say men contest bill.
Momo before from
Tempa na no mamum obi. Obi or you good be never support no. I want to sit back and guide you. Can pay news. I bet na say 4 years be the chaka aja oko.
Because first 4 years no crowd name we kakra. But last 4 years no dear record na we ja to no.
Ti anu na man go the be kai no. I'm telling you say na do say bi ofiri mo na. The last 4 years in the be kai no.
Omo kai free senior high school no ni ade ni na.
Best that. Ntino so we panimu na op positioner. I mean, can be bincho. Your temple, me Hare Krishna ni. Your temple, na na me temple president.
Okay.
And we are president now. You can sit there until time I can say be our own person obey you, especially the open for me well.
All right.
And me right for me crab me to be na as I said me year transformations or within a year. Now there my temple, a lot of things are me able to miss can me the me did 2 years. When I'm a trail to me special say I have done enough to them if I'm a back and I am from other people. Obia say, what are they? Oh, yeah, dear, no. Me, I have a policy. Time and go stage in us, and I give them be any mobile. That is when I want to go and sit back. To me, and I pen almost idea. Me, I mean, Copo Bia. Obey me, replace me. I am the president. As the mama crying, I'm to know. Me, yes, I answer the department of the manipulating. One Casa Mumpe be. Said I'm a wire running to him. One of the two can go to the bridge, the best 2 weeks. To me, one day they have to find somebody. One of master friend says, so who do you think can manage the place? And the temple management is very difficult. One person cannot do it. I was able to do it because I said me with a lot of experience. So I would suggest a young people Marco 3. Then you're co-temple president. The mommy and Sahu Kabumu they will be to manage. And Pana, you appointed the past 3. And they do so wonderful well. What I'm saying is that be own him the Oka.
Yeah.
Uli dia be do baby a prod no so that's the best time
to live
especially baby a ye to aba ntemna kwatama ba
na na bi muso beka say young people no omuni experience but old people no omo ye mistakes they have learned from their mistakes omanyi into omunim de but young people no sabre no were vibrant the energy was through youthful exuberance sabre na fair wonye ska afekwa no person opemma afebe no person otutu kwan eti young people no energy wo mu tirimu more it is a woman obi oye young maybe 35 up to be a 45 years na ono be president here as a woman no wakofa akwada yes intina mayenye comparison kakra taking a youthful person and an old person no their advantage and disadvantages e wo me hu the beboa woman no
the attorney say in leadership
okay
no matter how intelligent you are supposed to take advices.
Okay, so tiafutu.
Yes. We are boxer now who dey say sing. Now we need coach no a guide wa. Ukojina ring ma ye bebo.
Yeah.
Mayweather. Yeah. Very strong guy, very smart. Still now no coaches or guide no.
Yeah. Mike Tyson kwana me Tyson the coach wo ya na obo form.
Mike Tyson no coach.
Oduma da obo form. It's because na me wan say na obi a no ye young sa na the coach nso anyini sa na me dure ho say I can coach a anyini sa na tete abrante an ho de but on na ye ni coach.
Because no more experience.
Okay.
So see, presidency no enye nyansa no nko a na ye adwuma no. You need physical strength. And the more now your body is strong no. Adwene so mu ye very strong. Do you advisors or more mature enough or more firm? For instance, a student ketia or a penimu or tenchen. You wadam penny for more tenchen. Now we are young, now you're too far. Or more past experience in every guide. And because all you're youthful, no, adwene and the guinea crown, no, be sure.
So you get the energy and get the experience from the old people, no? Now they are here.
I want to open the mount.
Yeah. The time no call, but you have the experience.
Yes, but we are younger. Then you get the experience from people can advise you. But we will be all older. You have the experience, but the strength is not there. But you need the strength and the experience
and at the same time. And then how do we bridge? Because someone who can, I mean, this is powerful. How do we bridge youthful exuberance with old people? And I say, Obi. Ebetina wona say nimdia wo de be obi o won early 20s Gen Z ni obetina wona say da wo de be ma no wo energy but oni size experience no but say na yentimi bridge the old people na ko shefie
strong
ye na nanum na first no obi a first cry na sorry cry no ne wo old omasum 60 70 but otewo na young people for na ba omo experience no they are there nobody goes to them.
That's a problem.
Now how do we bridge the two? Because and both the nation in politics and even in our own personal life, you know.
Your body, we know.
Okay.
The head part, the arm part, the stomach part, and the leg part.
Okay.
So you see the body is like into 4. The head guides the body. Yes. So a nino, a sono, a heneno. No man may no say the part of the head, you know. Then the hands give protection to the body. And it is ubiquitous or the idea of both both a lot of because by natural arrangement and son then the stomach is what maintains the body.
Okay.
Until then the legs and the nanti jumadeng. Until the three and son maintain
Anant.
So in every institution, you must have these 4 people. The first class, the second class, the third class, and then the fourth class. First class, and you're from say the educational level,
okay,
and the teachers level, the masters level, omutufo.
Okay.
And I've put on mutu no omonji pay. Because the utu obi for any penny to your account for back.
Yeah, because it can be influenced. So who amount to be crank
because you pamwe. They have to follow omonji pay.
Okay.
But the woman every year no mutu me your mother no mama be a more fear with him but say boso me be a year can know. They from the Brahmana class.
Okay.
The first class omudi so mutufo. Then ensano you from chatriers. The protection class, or the administrators.
Okay.
They are soldiers for police or politicians for no more. They are supposed to guide and protect the whole nation. Then when it comes to the stomach, is the business people, the farmers, the merchant class. Then the legs the laborers. There are people by nature no laborers.
So Juma.
All the nation position be an but I said, what you mean?
Come on.
And in terms of the young person ever be a president, or the hand side, you must get the head to guide the hand.
Yeah.
And into before more system, more experience, or more very intelligent, so they can guide this person as well. President on the person need the head to move on. But I go for be or no a head. Oh, you're very older. Oh, when but physical strength and
it's not there. I'm wondering but I'm wondering so here now. What they call UN meeting, what they call ECOWAS meeting, what they are shared documenting, what they are wondering
you should understand this, especially in Africa.
Yeah,
institutions the institution is very powerful. To your old person, the institution will force you to do the right thing. Your hand, your institutions, the one pro be or one who ono abetimi guide ya obet say bibia oye old man not to no so no wada
won't me oh sometimes omuko UN meeting here ECOWAS meeting na o say Africans say old as yenfa camera na to omo so no na obi ada
no
wabre
nimpo mi na agogo no
sabre na time
asa ko tifie na ngode na
na mu di agro na wo ko vacation na wo and wo ko for minor this one nyina
to be wunjam
et imagine say nana panyi bi sa na afro this assembly way be stake aba ya afro say minister we akodiska wo be ka say my bread because you can't solve
I'm telling you
issues because issues from but we are younger you can tackle all those
trust me you see that's what I'm saying.
That's a problem now. What digging it deeper?
That's the problem, and then unfortunately, no, people are so greedy. You know, the kind of crowd on fat because be a when you do best 70 years. I don't think say you should struggle say you want to become a president. No. At that age, you know, by natural arrangement, say if you been 75 years, you can't no baby work. So why don't you says okay? I want to guide. Sit back. They say president, former president Kufo. Mount and health is very good. But at least I got to know one thing. So I go be and say time our president and it is say 10 ben na sumu juna. Obe can't you?
Say ye ne koka be
any no. Hey, so kura talk a sia we ebo wodi.
Yeah.
You have book a sia ebo wodi.
Aye.
Do you buy a fee cry and manage you fear how difficult it is? Now obi when you say 18 years at that time even body no because make on your prostrate because a normal thing because make cake and all some diabetes be yeah the people body at that age now amount for tension it wouldn't help you it wouldn't help the nation me name say me na me constitution now go be or more than 55 years yeah man ben presidency
wow
when you're 60 years I saw call retirement
okay
correct it so who are you fool
okay
so who are you still a president because at that age, you know, by natural arrangement, you know, organs in a whole day conform. A bedroom baby could be the end digested. They must not do 80 years. I take a batch by best 5. What did you read? I will copy because feminine air to the energy womb when I'm compound was I or garden be her own cement in a moo amount a lot of energy. By 6, 7, 9, 20 Barbon already walk or hit it. What? But what got to meeting I see man over 12 a.m. One year people be any Ube do fear, yes, also did be a bum, be and I go be dear. Now what's after Ube wouldn't them? Well, Ube dear, they wouldn't be Nana, me busa we say you exception be ana but mo follow we Facebook me say comment ni bebre me read mo comment ni very soon enti eno SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra market you pa line say de beto no mabam ansa na 5:30 de hot bite aba no say ye bre ne nkomo na ye de papa 0260196064 0260196064 and 0260196065 0260196065 nana mpese bi busa say exception bi wo age ni mu die ni mu na afi say nyame adma next week Indian Prime Minister Modi oba besra Ghana wono wanyini ba India for penasam and almost so buy and so wa make changes okay good it's an exception be woman I said the India for si dono improvement or there but wanyini eti na so kasa young no nanka ya combine with the old with experience which is very good but any exceptional cases wa hwana exceptional cases was definitely because will be bia na why old no nipa na go to the point say on tenancy but it's a general rule
all right
but there's something people don't know about Modi
Modi
was a yogi because a yogi will be at Mountain Everest a meditation for years.
Wow.
Yes, he has been a yogi for many years. Into Yobia, omo yogis no nobody you know they can even change it. As in, or old pass by the body is around here. But they're part checking history.
Wow,
he is a yogi.
Because we look very strong.
They say, or a yogi, who call Himalayans, what by Mountain Everest, one. All those mystical people, no, omo continue quite tapasia. Until be the whole year, ebi obedi dibia 5 times a pay. Ebi ado ye say, Hano tia. On so don't go for aduane so obi amfa fruit bi ama onidi ahaba e betre na obere
obetra fa ko
sa konko obetna tena wo sa afọ
meditation
nti na wa ya ansa na akire oba betre political you know he's a yogi such a person no nya 100 years kwa still na bun so you're strong nti say na wo come sister enye say January no be obenyi bia no. There are some few people munyia. That's when they can even perform better. But unfortunately, yeah, they okay. Yini na wani na share am waye. Mpayfo na movie na kwa animu na ahwe mu as performance ne wo form. Ntina make say be the best and say yempe obi o young. Na yempe mpayfo more experience. Not among supporting the panel with advice. The person will be able to change things. Okodumesu ya.
All right.
Omobo me nkoso hene. Just 2 years there. But the kokoro ko ya there. Go there and check.
Yeah. Me who videos.
And then you next Friday, me the video be my me the mamo. Ya dia grass oba bia anti omaka na. Nsuo ni 20 ba bia fufu. And na machine o mu di tware. O ma akoma ko be 15. Me di nyina free South Africa na buy. And I'm not to be a credit no mu nyina etwa kurum. Because when we go Dubai, nsuo nto the whole year. But everywhere flower.
Wow.
Today ntina me nkoso hene o mi kurum, me mfa flower ni bi nko mi kurum. Nti green grass eto a sunyane area nyina yeto ni nyina wie na yebeto bokuma ase ene we na no mo ye no ye police station esi ho no
police station na police station when dey say what ebi kra ni ebi ni kra ho efo
yes police station nti ho kwan no
ai kwan no mu emrantie na
ye ne dua grass ni nyina
na ukrom dumese wo da mama ya betena ho
am keto sister
this year because see be pass ase wo ho na say me ba na mama sase
wo from the brand pe bi ma
say me ba ho na me be pass ase bi na meti bi pa bi me di bi yakua na afa mi si dan wo ba bi
yes because me dey me hu ni say ko animu no kura no wo nkura se ba bi se na be feel good
no kura pa
ma ba wa ni go bi be say
an go mo ye juma pa
mo tutum like that me koye no me hu ni say
na pavement no
ya na pavement ni nyina o ya ni nyina ya dey machine twitwa dey make an say so we a leader you should think of the people
ujiri nipa no
na say me young kakra and into no I just say adwene no smart ahone no wo ho ba make me oluma be say 80 years bi anga me makoda kwa adwene me ho
wa pa ba bia fa
enti enfie no very important on say that's me
enti enuan no mabubu no
enuan mo twitwa so no say twitwa no e koso pie
enti police station there okay
on say that's me so every 20 minutes bi obehu that's me ho
okay
metallic one iron crofo a yetu omoka every month omo de ane say omo se sabola no nko a every that's me no anything we a leader na say bi ahode ne wo ho na nyanze kakra wo ho you be able to change things nti ya baga na mambo mu a be say ye mpanyimfo no omon focus say umfie ne okwa animu ahunu say enche no obego nti adu ba bi amanfo ebo odin papa no that is when okay obi mesom na mentina kina men guide ni pa no sad din papa ni achievement no o de be kwa adaka mu a every day be bo odin
all right
na obetena ho ama na be pro wie na akwa ene na dia pro na ye de bo odin akwa enti NDC4 no mondwe ho omompe menante ni bi na mra na nkokrafo no nkopɛ ba bi ntrana omobaduane bi no mu ni no nana I mean just imagine so you be ha run his time why minister sa ye minister still that aba atamos there obey minister mahama obey minister na don't want to say all there
onko na nyansa
why minister ya then at least they do baby also no I have served enough yempe menante de mejoin ni bi na yentre ni guide omo person mi nkumunya any greediness in
time. That be a man.
Na metna ho. O kina tu ni wo so man na be koso. So in your absence, and something will go on. Why don't you sit back and guide people? Suddenly leaders edging.
Wow.
Before you leave, find somebody, train the person. And sana wako.
Na say that you ni ho na obi abesi wo nem. No ato mpum to no so. But that be a wo wa ya kokora wie.
Our film wie na want to ni obi ano. E be head no obi replace you. So this is what I would like to say, and I hope say our leaders will listen. We program a very wonderful program. I think say it should be aired everywhere. This kind of discussion about my mind to important. Very important. Good.
Nana, ya da sepa wonya nsapo a wo de ama ye enne enche be ma wo do final word abana emom no mema tiefo kwan me read messages amode aba e wo social media no na before that numbers a wo so betimi afrese sia no aba SOMPA 106.5 FM akra 0260 196064 0260 196064 tro na so frɛ na be kye wadwene na 0260 196065 0260 196065 and then the numbers are once you bet me a free 0260 196064 0260196064 and 0260196065 yemfa de wodi kan aba ahoma no so. Hello. Me ba che fra say
George Neo.
Yo.
La chicken ba number.
Yo, Jones me ba cho meet you yenko.
Ani samu ne juma pa moye. Na jana de me follow na transformation from Facebook na de minim say nyansa ni ndio wo no. Ne kasa yo ka no sanka impelifoni tie no na YouTube sie na. Ngam di kan command to be because anya wa ba ya de bia ya de bia na man penifo. Yem wa ya wo from no so no. There was said there was here. It's a key near yen prepare. Come give the sank you do baby as on mine. I mean, Shamo.
Yamin Susha pa and Chamaking come messages no. Obiaba hello.
Hello.
Me ba che froze and Alfred free here.
Pacha from MP driver.
Yo. Me ba che yetio. Ewie.
Me pacha Yamin Shira opinion na to wa kasano. Ani na grum pa ikulano.
Yo.
Mama ko se ni pani na wa dun so papa ye to ya kan yamma yakoso. Eza so se o hwe okọ ni krum ha ba bia ono cha wo din koso he na na. Untimi ni se hunu bia ho. Ono a okọ ono mu na city mu na o ya djuma kama. Odru wa kuna se ya o hwe se am to hwe no fun so. Na wa so wo gura kunu mu na wo se papa na mo den cha gye kwa man no na wo na o che wo no. Okura dun kese pa na no ka obi antie ase tumi na ye mpanfo ne de. Penye tumi na ye mpanfo ne da. Anka ne papa ikan aya dun papa. Nti yamisha no man nyansa no nkoso mo ya ma no. Yamisha mo ne djuma pa mo ye.
Mati enso ye da se pa. 0260 1960 64 0260 196065. Hello.
Hello, this is Sarfo.
Bemena, me pa che froze na free.
SOMPA FM.
Okay, when chi SOMPA yenko.
Okay. Kakame tinya kan so. Also kan where you was I don't give you thing for me TV. Give you one higher. From there, we people. What is that thing? How do you? Because you are people good here. What do you mind me kaka? I want you to you. Na I don't know. I don't find that hard working. I want 70 years, 65 years, 80 years. No, the whole Ghana Nipa corporation will nobody not be for Hana Casana for Bandina Brew. I want them no. It's the most and I need clean. I want to put in some more study. What I say, and it is almost in a funny kind of Kidomun until say, yes, best and I know almost for a bata. And I'm ranting who can't say, ranting more no more back by more. Almost now must was woman. Now we have to say, you were a young guy, I'm 25 years, 30 years, my president of Ghana. If I said, opinion can't tell me, then very hard, you who can't buy one or see humble yourself, but humbleness, it's my bye bye.
Meso Meda Sepa 0260196064 0260196065. Hello.
Hello, and I was there.
Bemen, I'm a froze and I'm free.
And I was the original poem doing young as every some package mine.
Yo, original, young way, Yamonito.
And I was there. Namin Ramon. There be a mechanic, so my penny mamma said, Namamun by Uncle Soa. Never went till some party and Namamun with Philip, but till some party be Biabe next day. And then there was a muddy other. Somebody said a muddy at the papa or many more.
Yeah, that's it.
You got any for Panamin Ramopa, Nana Yamin no Medana, the one in Georgia more, man. And there was a Yamen come on.
Yamen come on, Mobana Mobonito say my no bin swaba. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Good evening.
Good evening.
KBB is capital Tishmai.
KBB Bonnetel now near Bimramin family and 7 yanko.
Me dasi. Where the JNANA na we and come home. Now, a tenant and to know where the January 1960 Saturday when you went to my mammy. Now, yes, or the two from IAT no correct. Say,
SOMPA FM.
Say, Yabama Mrantano Quine. Na mpanyinfo agade wo mudia meni opinion ya adwe because I wo bre
ɛyɛ yɛde ma mmeranteɛ na mpanyinfoɔ atena saa guide wɔn akyɛw sɛ de si frantoma sɛ de si hyɛ ataare sɛ de si kasa ɔbɛdwam saa ɛkɔsi sɛ wɔn kura wɔn bɔ wɔn kwaagya no na wɔbɛyɛ ɔhimpɔn nti deɛ waka no no kura no.
mate medase yɛma obi foforɔ nso so ɛmmra ne tɛw yo
hello minia
yes bɛma na mepatwɛ frɛ wo sɛ na frɛfiri
mepatwɛ wei yɛ wo nua bɛma Felix Bell mekasa fre ahempa ɛwɔ yilo krɔbɔ
yilo krɔbɔ paa yɛda ase yɛtio
yɛbɛn akyemtafo
okay yɛtio yɛnkɔ
nyame nhyira mo anwummere ne adwuma paa mo yɛde bɔ aman Ghana
yɛda ase pii
papa mekyia no paa wakasa yie paa nyame nhyira no na deɛ nti a yɛmu bi yɛpɛ sɛ nka ɔno Kennedy ne ba no sɛ ɔyɛ obi a ɔka nokorɛ ɔyɛ obi a sɛ adeɛ no yɛ blue a ɔnka sɛ yɛ black ɔyɛ obi a sɛ woyɛ niba koraa na sɛ woyɛ mɔni a ɔbɛka sɛ w'ani sɛ woayɛ bɔne na adeɛ a woyɛ no ɛnyɛ ɔyɛ obi a ɛsɛ ka sɛ yɛ adeɛ a ɔka ɔnyɛ adeɛ nso a ɔka nti no na ɛpɛ sɛ ɔno Ken ɔmmra bɛdi NPP anim no
mate medase
ɔbɛma mmara no ɛne wadi
medase mefa deɛ wɔtwa to ɔyɛ brɛ no Sophia nti sɛ mentimi nkenkan messages no hello mepatwɛ yɛfrɛ wo sɛ adwoa mo no so kakra ma me ma de yenim sɛ yɛtumi yɛ dɛ nanso mesrɛ mo no so ma me wa adwoa sister adwoa saa wo frɛfiri he Odi mate mema mi producer afa wodi no na ya kasa wate mame na wasena me read messages ne kakra yenua Fred Ochre was say nana da bia wo de free education ene maye ye leaders no mu tia o man be fa ntoma pefra yesa nana e ka e se tachrema empro eti nana ka daache ya ye beti ntam ni nyina nana kan yo eti esese nana kan na yede to ho efise tachrema de emproda na eno achi no na yenua awuku prince was say oh wow I'm glad to hear daddy was say please how do I know the nana was so pedan wo kroma hu na mse bi wo ho I was so but this was so a single room self contained yes they said do myself what say na me kai me see your best say o ma me ba ho na say ye ba benya hotel bi ada ho.
Oh yes, your guest house are around.
Okay.
Dumasia to Sunyani only 5 minutes drive.
Okay.
Until oh yes, just 7 kilometers. Until traffic is only until me took us here.
And no one say.
Dumasia and Kasana, your hotels were around.
Okay.
Shell's Hotel say oh Dumasia very nice place.
Okay. My name is you. Yabana. So. Yabe Juju. When you nanti krom ho. Na video no de mi ankasa mecha. Yenua MC Fred. Wo de no kan ma me ready messages ne dos yenua ba konso so a friend no nana kwadwo